Abusia Aboagye boy ni nyina so ye mra ye di so ana mra ye bu so. Obrabo a wo boy wa wade wo sika sem adwumam apomodin nyina so eye wo bra mra wo di so ana mra wo sei a utuna jeje mu. We na mede ma akwa aba Adom TV. You dey we enkransensem. Ma me na ase me ya osomfo apostle Nita Kutego. Winim me do be kam ransem bi a e wo sunsun mu a yedi so a e Kenya ya redie eni abrabum. The third law of life is a law of expectation. My main country said there's no success or failure in life. We get what we program for. We get what we program to get. There's nothing like failure or success. Life gives you what you expect. Abrabo unyanya wenda so. Success and failure are verbal propositions and evaluations that follow what you expect. Also anapa then wenda so. Wenda so ena kire bebe abrabo ebeko. Obo so anapa ye mi kokrum and so wenda so na be Kenya wo. Whether you realize it or not, you program your life outcomes by what you expect to happen. The end of no ebem. Bibia mo abrabo mu kwa. Papa mu oboni mu when da so na ebem. Owade mu. Osikase mu. Abrabo mu. Wadwuma mu. Empodi abeye bia no nyina so ye nda so. Me menda so ne se medi nkunim. Mena so se meda wo do de a kire obiara. Mena so se medi nokure na menya nokure so mfaso. Enti meni won so se a na medi a kire eyo. Onipa wenda so ekenya o. Part of success is just plain luck. Enkunimdie enyina so efiri obi. But a big part of success depends on your intentions and expectations. Beti abase bia utibe yie e wa abrabom. Nanso so abrabom nyina so titiri na agina utime po ene onda so eso. And I can say it may be that success may depend on some luck, but much to a large extent success depends on your intentions and your expectations. The clarity of your intention and the strength of your expectations come together to focus your attention and your energy on the results you get. The clarity of your intention. So what dream you at the fine or and the strength of your expectation. So that's one do. They come together to focus your attention and a Kenyan and your energy to create the results you have in life. Tawa boy, Susan so free obi. Wabo mpaye ane. Wa free Nyankopon, but dey na wonsusu ye ne oni da so. Wona so ye gidie. Ananda so ye abeguro. Wona so ye nokure. Ananda so ye ntro. Wona so ye pepepeyo. Wona so gina wodoso. Ne anda so no ena wotanya. Enda so eye aduaba. Your energy flows from where your attention goes. Your life energies flows where your energy goes. In other words, your life energy depends on your expectations. When you expect bad, you get bad. When you expect good results, you actually are simulated to create good results. Whatever your expectations, you follow it. And until Aboagye boy, who be ordering kugua, and that's all. Expect good things in your life. Expect progress. Expect growth. And your life will follow your expectations. Now the morning nani yeso. Ne oni nani edimo so. Morning na de ebe ko yeso. Na se de tibia no, wa babo ebedi nya wanda so no so. Kura no, ma men kan kira wo se, onipa wo dane nya wanda so no so. To make a good dream come true, you must first have a great dream. ansana oda so bebe mu no ejina da so na da so eye nia wani da so ejina so ne dey me srese abribia so de a penda so a ni nyina so eye enkenya ensempa eye anigye eye nkuranhye eye wodo eye kwan papa so na quality bia no ne nda so no bebe mama o no obi an nda kro no so akwai papa da wenda so na bemma o ma menya ha na me fankra nkoma Adom TV adwumafo nyira na me ndo na se so so masen na me dwumadi eba wo nchen dwumadi aka no de akiri tinyi wa fidie ni mfiri ha e badwam dwumadi we na ma me nkira wo se mo wenda so enyina yie wo kwampa so no nyame nhyira wenda so wono nyame entina
Yada CBM Samu akwa Badom TV Badwam dwumadi so Apostle Dr. Nita Ekutegu yada say eni nkranhyen sama odi abreye de du so ne Badwam kase ne obetie wo mu ebi eni Chief Justice ne yabono asensen so obi bie ne ho betumi akase dream die ne keta se hye ebon ho yede no beba na afi aban so abeyi na no yede no so ebeka ho ne nsem bi anope yede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase or share live or Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Oko YouTuber search Adom TV 2 Yawo ho kwadomonline.com and same winning same bebre so egu ho faseda mama Joy Trish Oko Instagram ne Facebook atade bia wo pe no wono ndi nkoma obenya bia mu ba ko na hyemi Frederick Opticals ehwe ni ehon nsɛmti ahwehwɛ ni bai wono adaroma midin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie sɛ nsɛm ni kyeremo ankasa etie Chief Justice Mame Getu Tokunu a yabone asensen no asɛm ne ba ye nyina no anu ada no hye datena se ɛne nsɛntwofo di nkɔmɔ a wɔkyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma mu akyerɛ yɛn na ne kasa mu no sɛ na wɔyɛ lawyer bɛyɛ judge a ɛnɛ ye Chief Justice nso asɛm aba no ho no obi bia no obetumi ahwɛ n'ani akasɛ maame wagye adamudie bi ene odidi case bi ose no de ebi nsida nsɛm odi tudwa enie.
I am confident that in my journey as a lawyer, as a judge, and now as Chief Justice, there is no one person in this country who can look at me in the eye and accuse me of taking a bribe to decide a case. This is the personal treasure of integrity that I live with. So what if these current proceedings are being carefully staged to result in my removal as Chief Justice, even if there's no lawful justification? All I have stated shows that any such action would have been done on the basis of lies and violations of law and due process. As a career judge who has served under 4 presidents, from High Court through Court of Appeal and Supreme Court, I could never have imagined such irregularities possible if I had not personally encountered them. I am also a mother, and I am a grandmother who must hope for better than this for her country, its rule of law and its democracy.
Mame Getu Saki Tokonugu so aya wokasa wochensemu na wochemu a ebu ni anidie na wode ama ewone se de de no asinchen se enye nhwehwemu no na emom se wohwemu pa no a emra no so ewo ho eso pepepe ene ewo se wodie na obekoso nso di emra no eso eno so se de okan no eni.
Every decision I took that is complained about by Mr. Ofori, Mr. Akogo, and the group calling itself Shining Stars was done as a part of a panel of at least 5 judges that made up the Supreme Court. And all judges in the panel are indemnified by Article 1273. How tenable, if I can respectfully ask, can it be that a petition to remove the Chief Justice from office can be entertained on these grounds? Every administrative decision is supported by my constitutional obligations, and I have shown with exhibits or I showed to His Excellency the President with exhibits that each decision that was listed was taken after due process, and yet a warrant of suspension was issued against me without giving reasons. On my part, I chose to respect His Excellency the President's warrant of suspension, even though it was clear to me that it was not supported by a prima facie determination that is required by the Constitution and decisions of the Supreme Court. I have chosen to honor the process set in place to hear the petitions, but I do not choose to hide from the nation that perversion of law, rules, and due process, as we all know them, are driving the proceedings, and this renders the proceedings unconstitutional. I choose to trust that such darkness will not totally engulf this nation. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong.
Tidinyimu so abaya babonten ababeyi ano se samu amame gatu tokono kanon so bienu hwa nokrowo.
Let me point out that as yet nobody has been able to ascribe any known verifiable constitutional breach to the president in the way that he has handled this particular matter. From the very first steps in this matter, the president has kept fidelity to the Constitution and has respected the spirit and letter of the Constitution. Everything he has done has been by the book. That is why all those who have commented on the matter, including her leadership, the Chief Justice, have been unable to point to any specific provision under Article 146 that the president has been in breach of. Second, in terms of confidentiality, the president has acted strictly in accordance with the Constitution. At no point in time has the presidency put out anything in any way, shape, or form that remotely resembles any of the contents of the petition. And the only communication that has gone out on this matter have been about the steps that the president has taken in accordance with the 1992 Constitution, Article 146 to be precise. Is that the attempt to link the dastardly killings of some Supreme Court judges and a military officer to this case are most disingenuous.
Yemfi Hongko and Sanfufromuna, this year be a 1 year so or National Identification Authority. Then crab say, wo Kumase no acquire one Ghana card near dear no quay de Damuton or Kotoye, he said you might 4 hour strike.
So I'm a first year student in taking. The president is implementing a no stress fee policy that's to reimburse us with our school fees. Yeah, so in order for you to get your school fees, you need to register using your Ghana card. Yeah, so I came here for my Ghana card, so I'll be able to apply for it.
Okay. So when you came, what has really happened? Have you engaged with any of the officials here?
Nah, there's no one here, so I'm currently standing around. Standing
around. So in case you don't get it, how bad is this going to affect you?
Currently, for the policy, there's no deadline for it, so I'm not shaking. Yeah, but I have to get it.
Yeah, because like I was registered since for the past 3 years, so that time they say they got like short of the card, so that I just come back, so that I came here. I just come here this morning to find it because it's very urgent. It's gonna help me more when I'm in abroad, so that like currently when I'm coming, I get the visa, so that if I got the Ghana card, it's gonna help me so that to make everything shorter for me. But unfortunately, I get here, so they say they are on strike. We come very far from Askorimampong to here. We just take the taxi to here. So, but unfortunately, we couldn't. Then they didn't go any update like when they are coming, when they resume or something like that.
Mine has gotten missing, so I really need it. It's very urgent. Yeah.
So in case they don't come anytime soon, what is going to happen? Because I know you said you need it urgently for something you are doing, but in case it doesn't come urgently?
I don't know what to do again.
Entwa Adom TV Badwam kase no so nipa ba kwato ananano monsie do nipa be 22 so pray modern won kwanhie siye won kokko oframase yakra ne kumase kwantempon so
na ihu se no kwase muni na accident bia na ano den onenti omo bus ni mo emu adum de no kwase mu no try ko ani mu yi pa na ba ko de oye part we na media wo amunum kwa titi kra ena kaya track no so koto amenem se nsuo ne amana kakra wo no koto mu a che se wo hwese ne accident tia na kwase mu ni ekwani pa na so no isa ne professionalism no nti itimi boy omo de a hwese omo mo prepare ni na ye be rescue wo na ne wewu no so ne be mobilize no na itimi ama bibia nso akoyi nti as Ghana National Fire Service itimi boy omo de manage scene no ema itimi hwe ema bibia nso akoyi na ebe gina so ato ahyekafo nyafo se abiri na se wo tukwan a omo de ase omo beto omo pass kakra
Ejadifo ya womo akra at center fre empanifo ne aban eja ba beto bia womo edi on tito ne edan a eye enuadan be 50 de ni nyina hye won japade nyina ne egu fomo no womo stresse yemra emeboa wo
Wirehosem ewa akra at center ne nyina ne se ejahwirenhwire ma no homene so ehia kwakofa ohaw eka ene amane ena abra manfo ma
na nra so obi so awo foforo a omode na abehye edan no mu ntom se omo so cropot waso cropot odi nsuhie besi so e de dware akola no ayem se sata no omo gas na asa ntom ko fili gas ba no se gas esi motor so shaking ba na omo try so omo de regulator no esi so nti gas so de regulator esi so a bon se na start e bi be dikan apie nti ba no sa no ono odwane pie ye nti odwane pie na gas no mo eba nti omo ne neighbors omo ha na omo pamade no all of them ran away osoki blanket say the betoso but again na ono ade ha ya ne dia no wan lawo de okita blanket no o si ni phone nti no officer ga no be wi an phone o so nti opam ga na before ye beba na aye too late
ama awireho na aka won mu a wo mu di dwuma e wa ha
be 2005 me na bibia ashi nti me gina wasesi a metade anyway ya mehye ministry bio manti mi amfa hwe e wo dan ni nti mesre aban se ohu ye mobo no antwe ni be hwe fi se ye mu bi ho a ye adwuma na na ye bibia e na ediye
ekoses mu no ka che me se eja to ha wo na me se a eja to wo na wasosu mu kura wo su na me se okay te wa na me ne kunu so era hye ye na ye de ye bai ye beduru na ampa eja na to ha ne de bra ese wani na nsese wo ka
opinion leader owa hanom Mr. Anthony Brenya odi ato adom kase anim e kire se
say fire service nyankopon koso enhiro mo efri wo mo panyin so ne otwato omo kire odo omo ma yehu se sebe onyankoda na oda ye besre aban ye nim ne obetima ye besre Ministry of Tourism Commission on Culture ya ye bra Wakefield akwaku ene od saying aban adwumadie bia nadmo ene od say maslock sene be at least on be intervene na omotimi aboa omo
eka omo abono saban amamu a enyeyi anideso eni babia Adom TV Jagri Boas Accra a center
yenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pa ye de asie ye da se emre ne adaje a wode maye bididi afia amankwa tamaklo ye kwa bade de bonkrata no ene Adom online stories ne to so ye nche CCA ye kwaba Yada say ya mo kwa baby me ya Adom TV Badwam dwumade na o hwe na ya chia o pa da semre ne adaje ne ada okese ya se na da romanti ene ye nyina ye won kwa enne ya wo no pay so ye hunu ye nim se ono a ode yen ye hye ase no ode yen bewie se de ode atade ye hye ye no obeme ya woro adesan ye monso nti erade nka ye nyina ye ho no mo ye ho ban yada se mfidie ne do so na so de abribia na Adom TV na ode yada se pa Radio Fosu 97.1 ya chiamo ya mamu akwaba yada se monso mochusi ha se de bonkrata no obejedi efri ha anopai mene ora santeda ku ne gina ha Adom na to ye nsunti yede de bonkrata no ene Adom online stories no eto so ede abrewo shadon so ye wie pa agudie mu nsam no beba twasika no na ubedi ucha 1000 ona ukru nkofo odi also ka ho bi de ohia ye star 281 hash option here 4 star 281 hash option here 4 utwa nko ade a utwa 10 bi 50 cedis utwa 10 sa machine be cho secret ne se bedwom no omo no so nti obi o ha no ntwa da e na american no utwa bo ho no na edi enko ba bia omo do so no be twa sa na metwa sa na mini aha utwa ya obedi star 281 hash option here 4 twa ne sisi Eme na no pemintia we.
Peacock mejoso. Biga kama de. Abona fe peacock zone. No fe fala de brino ba solo yeboko. Wow, ko ayinfi prestige aboa ba himfi no na mo. Timu hunu sa ho. Ohima papa bi no na mo sa no. Onye ni bakatwa princess. Go so ni this year. The crew back on kwan de yes still. But you are the favor call.
Ya me Adom boko.
Da ma obia e kama. Omda so di man kan nya hode so.
Oh yes.
Ade de di ba ayina na ye.
Omodo no so efe. E wo se ennemafo ye sua sa do no.
Yo.
Me be kwa so papa baba no me ma beba no anu aduane. De me ti ye kra sa ye nwanwa ne se. O se nan say o beti so yesu obi efrim no nko na da no nko na da yesu asa akoda timo mo de da obi da nye
already yagubo
na in case of emergency
yes at the for there ye pesa amuda baby ye da baby ye
sa o se ye da bom ayi makanim ye chinenyomo se mo na mom yan mom ni di mom ye bibia mom na se ni penya sika broso a komna santi bi di baby ne danko ne yire danko ne madanko but first no ye si say
ye the cat is na say budiro
ana ho no wa ha na bedroom no wa ha nyame aye bi wow B17
wow
wa
bodi no
oh yeah fantasy estate and you
kono eti omo fio
na me nka omo yeah ni wo ho ye say ya sa fi ho na ya bay and Adom nti e mi se da nhunu
eti chia obi o fio bi D17 for e chia mu nyina
o de ma Joyce ana ana santo amame
ye chia
e say obi anyi
ye chia mu nyina
nti no yesra mo na mom munye bibia mo ene na mo odo no ye
ni
we da ha asamba kra wu hu
dabi ene kra ya chia to su ni monako fo nyina
wa ba so omusu nyini wadum
omunyi wa ba o ye Kumasi boy
oh yes on the asante achima gugu
wa ba ana odurasi te se na obi a wo no we afantiri odurasi kama say wa ba ana o she starch onta de nyina starch
dabi her secret mami mie ba ko santini boy
entia
wonni hwe kura no nyane dressing wonni hwe
na unya pure santina no se nkawa ne
wonni hwe kapre but dressing ne perfume wa hwe gu ho na se nyame dom no nya ayi sembe ho like single room
na we o si etiesi mu no
no nya condition ba ku bi de ka ho
oh traswe
ono wa wie
kan no wo se wo ko mrantie dem no maybe a Michael Jackson picture Bob Marley picture that since on say na mpa ba ku bi na afro make up and just na ono wakọ ni mu mo no yet you be just to make you feel good you know what sorry entity when you Kenya spirit no na yanko the make can show nyina say baby a ya tro odin akoto list bi a odin kan bi a enye papa erade janto me na no pe
amen
na emfa nkunimgiri yidi mro wo se bi a da trade into a di yidi brain ba di patrim boni ni adwene boni nti e dia ko kan list na e dia ko nkugo ni ohaw ni amanim anopa erade ahomobro
entoyeso amen
na sa edina baby ankom de yekoto no enye papa no enhia se kora ya to aso nsima wo do ato de boka atem de ebre ma ye ho kwan ana ye de bre the online stories be bre. The ana baby am be say me hama moye afia man kwa asema wo kan na me di kan. Ma wa po muden ho nsem ehia. Mesro health before money and others no. Because yes kan nyina na se bi wadara mo wani ma no pay. O sorry ko o ba ma bibi anya sai ska no de na odi.
Hospital nko
mo po muden ho nsem.
E tua wa kono de.
Yeah, eno kra na ebufu che bibia no.
Sika no wa ozu timi ni we.
Bibia ko bibia. Bibia It's any man say daily democrat any man dey so say diabetes in children needs urgent action. If you know where the
oh yes, possible say enkura ni sha. Yeah, mom apart from say bia family
trade
enkura no bi ho no manuane e de mema wo mo no. Ti akaketo akura no. Na uhu say why case yeah.
Chali.
And your mothers ni bi so ha yenyem a. Ni didi all because of yenyem ye kondo way ni didi basa ye be na akura no beba na case yeah. Nti ono so ntime wono fa na se. This ye no operation ni yi no. Ti akura no beba no. Na ni insulin level no baby ene na mo no. Ti sremo nkura diabetes de na say what do you know me doctor baako Dr. Nuakon clinical nutritionist and working. Was it diabetes nesa ebi o ye topic bi o say reversing diabetes and it's possible. Kwabna say de wuti hoyi wabusu efia wufri mu ye wo no aduane na ye de ma wo wunyini sa wo so be wo no sa enti wo bo say ye condition bi a ebi ye aduane na de ma ye na enamusa
because ye aduane na
ye di na
and you can say family it could be traced to even aduane a o say ase na
aduane no because nkan kranketwa de nka sugar de anka hu hia anka dia wo ye obaduane na banana na nka wo de bia fra no kokomu de ama no nanso ye behwie sugar aguma sade niema da ka ho ti akra no wo ba na nka nyame no funsuo wo he dede sa ya bi no man ka sa na nka wo say ye de ye nanso wo be yi ho no na wo de dede man obie ni wa onpa de de enti so wo hu natural milk no funsuo no wo hu artificial de ya ayeda wo de he na ba nti sa afi na akra na nimu abeto so nti sa niema doko nti wo be ye ne den nti yesre akra diabetic de
adwene de abufu so ne penfo bi ti se nimu amuso obi koda na chocolate si na no nyina na jotu koda
odi
dini cha
no kwa ka kura no wo se pema no won ze ntwetwe ne se anyuma no wada bebere ntwetwe won se anyuma wo se me kaya ana se mewe enam bi na ye ani de na
no me so ka kire won na ko a anyumire se tie bia won timi mfa bibi kra fa
serious wo de se so kodu akra fa twetwe because the whole day what did the whole day wa hwe o sori anope e bia se se de ade nya nche
na suba be
ba ubanum koko ni kose ubedi jollof bi ne nam beef yi na hihye simu ni ade banku bi besu wache bi besu kokontene fufuo bi nso tue mu ampesie bi
we nyina afọ wonum
we nyina na wonum
afa wonum ko
ansa na tofe a tomi bedie coffee
so for kwachi a lot of combinations afọ wonum ko enso be wie no o se anadwo me paste
untutu se this all match ansa na obeke ye twitwi enya ne sa
na no kwa na jo ba ne prompt no ansa o de amutia ko
bad we yakura ma feeling it ko twitwi si ansa na wada enti any day any time no we move
anywhere new any ba wonum adan
ene wo mo etwa bie no kwapiafo na bia twe bia ye dangerous mon kafra mo amoda bi ho mon kafra na no odin we nyɛ ma feeling teko enti mo twitwu mo se anɔpa
University of Ghana for no one pa sleep na mo wa
covid na unity wo ho enti obia because they say yeti he yedi mo obi okɔ school wo ho a
say wa asem ade bi aka no ka kuize me bodi ka asem kuize me say asem ba ye be ne yanyu say ye say ye hohoro ne distance ne nyina oh yeah
Makwa Blanca pa de sahohoro de I don't think say o si ejai eyo
waso so doors ahodo cars ahodo
na me sisi aye be
achi nipa bebre aduane ba ya no pa aduane gare no sa wo fufuo do
sa wo anya aduane gare no sa wo atutu se aniema bi a eye simple bi a bread bi ana biscuit bi o je ya no ai enso ye do yi ye nyina hwa na ye di bi
na hwa ya hom te kra se obi timi koye ne wo yi no wi a osa ne sa to ama dia na mo ya sa no
odo ne sa yi ne hwinu ma sa dia
na mo ya sa no
Jesus hey nyankopɔ no wo se ne ma nyina na ehu a Can no members and count you be because and near my coso. Now so Yamidia on the war who too much. You do a crowd into whom and we are so 7.4 kind when you one your time. I am no correct. Who would the annual corner? Now where would the Ube dinner prepare?
Have you Minanti Muntem now to for online, brother? National inquiry.
Because no crown, you try no so cranny. Pabna Osha any more has seen any tobacco and a well known Quenchia war and Coco no say of from Marcy. Of from Marcy. Pabna, any tobacco no we and on. I don't pay the engine. It's a name.
Ah,
what it say? Nitinu ne from no huntu as a west in a kit to be from the ha eba the top on so kakra. Tell what it's a crow. Me who be da. No more months were prano. Jai. It's here beside who say, Edia, a hian ye co. Montomo bo. Basa can see any view. Montomo bo what any panel was sharing him so way. Okay, because why be for
any panel was sharing him say, Miss Anna make Cassase say, Oshe sprinter no. And it's a 20 with the count. Almost schedule the passenger. I want to be boss to say difference them on the semuno. And Yanama Puma because I can't plan what do a bepostle and no corn and to ya what a show now would you do lane more. Missy Bikwa no your court takra dia ebe. Missy Yaman when you ran on call you be share got him. Some another one go to complete. And I'm ready for us Obako. Oh, you know how there be no Miss Obako. And I'm saying before where highway. Because can the least in which you have one of us. No me good and yeah MPP NDC if we don't help ourselves. And no more a die and a good so. And yet market to our say you are fast and no sir they make nipa ba ko wu a others critically. Oh me pro. Oh me pra e mo ya. Nti no so ho asam eno no. E na afi ma me ayidie tokuno. Also the other wa news no money no in fact the workers ahodo ni nyina no OSP Chief Justice ni nyina nitina the fear ka say imani park on the ati that the Chief Justice in komo aye the be share disam komo so yi pa ma san kan we nto aso na honorable Kwabena Minta Kando yes health minister emwa on say Ghana ene say wi asem so a asa asem ne ba na hono a na ho pre ye ni na wo tweda ni eja to baby nkwanhia bi si enu achi ewo winiba ho enu so wi achi suku nkura miensa afrimu oh omo afrimu na de kese eye ne say yesi omo call trauma hospital ho omo ni ICU rage and kolebu enam so ba ku bi ka ho omo ni bed intina na kese nkura no eti utie suku ru ne kasa na o se sanka ne ma we mu ho anka nkura ni mu ba eno na me kan oh and your man ekusin ewo ye hihye mu o man mu ahum to say asem to Ghana ma onko hospital onko police station onko court bibi ebeka bia unti we fa na sa ya da nyame ase bibi ebeka bia unti me say if you have to go through a process in this country say your bank say your GRA say your passport office say your license office say your hospital say your police station say your court say your Ghana water say your ECG who person go through a certain process who per meter hey honorable say nyai MPP NDC and your man na AC no you are amazed say that that way see nwanwa nwa baby ye dre 68 years this year nya 68 and 69 68 68 bepem sabe ye nimpa wo hospital na sem pay the maka na nda be biam the example chire me nua ba da bench so okolebu na de drip ahangem na the man ye yan so wo kaka no so na yenso yesu ni e ban no eye de na Kwabena Santiko pie ho oyi ni nose mask within 4 minutes na my sister nya bed wakoda so ni pasai anu nya me be nya sa favor we say ewiase na e wo no woni animu a ye mpase wo ye nimu a ye ntreat wo ye emo ya obi anya na sede ye kan obi anya na sede ntina na me ya say politicians here ye kan ye rajo mama oni nipa be kuma bi ni dibu enti omo betimi aye bibia wo ya poni to me kakra ma eno so wonye odi je se mampani na be kasa
Sasa ete se adwuma. Last na adwuma wura bi ni me di nkomo. Okasasa o se afia hey. Sadachi bia me ni ho anti adwuma ni se ya. Sasa wan kasa yete ho. Sa na ti o wiase na sa de ni wo wa. Yemfa ho. Se be sai, sensei, enye yasem. De hia na se yebosome na aso na ye de amaye.
Ono to kwa na print mu.
Ono na print mu. Also to on your task. And so per se ya kwan yi.
Ono to on print.
Eni ma bebre ye
say nyina mun kan ya ye enura na obi
2.48 say be ka ho.
Enura na obi di nchirimu ba. E ya sudi kese pa ma. Ba me no mmiri na ye nim say Kwabena Asante ni fie na wasi. What illegal for the past 10 years. Ye nim ndie de. Onka e be ba wa also.
Say
what say say
Kwabena kasi ye ka o me wo sama bebre. Ai wasi ye nyina ye. Mo me nye so o mayo. Assembly for mo nyam adwuma. Nsa wampoku ase kwan. Akoduru sei.
Assembly ye mo akoka wase. Men ma ye kasa one pe. Assembly akoka wase mi. Onu abo wo so bi di ade asi ha enye. No onu asa discovery.
Asa discovery ho.
Yeah, waterways no more so me build the containers. No more asa ko discovery no.
Na ka ho. Nti se 2-3 years bi wo ba na so ba be yi a. Na ya je anu aduane. No anu
ade sensitive. E de sa ni ne.
Ya say akra o masa aba o.
Ajesu e fe ni cho na acha.
Nti eno na ye de ade a. Che se ye man position na person me bibi.
Ka o free opepem.
Asa se one is bi ne. Ene ayi owura Henry Quarter no pay ye tia o. Sa che se nti bedi akwa anim. Kasa na. Because gidi ya mo de ye adwuma ne de na nka efe. Me nko ho but o mo ko ho say say de okoya no wadu okoya no wadu.
No aje egu na ko anim.
Aje egu because obi a person otena so obi a person ye na ade ye. Yem fancy head as wo mre no wada aje be hu sanka person ofra kan bi ohun. Ai enye ise sa ja be ya duma. Ai ensam ne doso bi a ochena de pache ya. Ebehwe ne abie di atum eno no enye owura Asante da akuna beba Jordan JP akwesinsi ane beba ti ochena nkon ho ye behia wo sa time no na ye kwai di agudie mu America se rubodi wiki mu nyina sickle cell ene ye ka ho asem eno obi send message wo Facebook o say ah afia mo ya de enu am ti se mo ka sickle cell no ho asem ye be koso aka se mo ntia ye bu ne tot am 5 minutes tie bi
bu tot me sa oba fa na
to one check here obe ha kra na wo bada achene ye di see enti sa we ba bebuye ye kwaba
rara busia ye mo ache mo kwaba ye to aso agodi ensemo anopan so nsam ne dos de se fata se wote ane ache ne kufu na ye de e basa no Franco Trading Enterprise ken ho Malta Guinness ken ho ye de nsam no bro na ya na me kade bia say no matter the occasion ye bo weekend sa no e say make sure say Malta Guinness dey there something inside. Ba crash fridge no do fi no abra obo ba kakra go obo a otu something awura inside okona ka so per malt na nya Malta Guinness proudly made in Ghana patron to nya no bi ne ye ka wasam wa hanamo and of course Franco Trading Enterprise from Papa Fi appliances Papa Fi ho amo aka ho de sia konkon ye den sam no ebra now ye be sha se na ye de fi the FIFA Club World Cup ba sha ne so ni nyina no Bernard Padi botwe na achire na me de ebra wo kedwara nkasa ne Erika se de bori ye hopes na ye wo ewo Melody Sundowns wo no amfa enra Melody ebo draw against Fluminense and of course Borussia Dortmund about Sun by go to nil Los Angeles about Flamengo ne bo 1-1 and Inter Milan living late be ball Montreal ahimachia yenkohwe ye emu sam kakra I say the course ewo enra ne ahimachin games ni mono no Inter Milan ball River Plate and I think so no Roa and Montreal the Montreal ball Roa by 4-0 and there's Juventus and Manchester City and I think so no with that ne Al Ain omo mi no de omo firi mu dada with that ne Al Ain ti say the Africa Forum kokosi and mo no bi papa bi an share fi Nazareth ama ajegon Melody Sundowns and any down so no aje gown right wow and what's the morning now yeah kind of sound on yen kwenim na yen hwe may draw star 281 hash select Adom TV na mencheuska star 281 hash select Adom TV na efaka kregusu ba ko be 5 Ghana cedis me 1000 Ghana sana mako the biamba no say me 1000 and I me 1000 and star 281 hash now select Adom TV fabigum 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 70, 80, 89, 90, 100, 200, 1,000. me dey chow free ti you fa ho gym na anipa ensehwe na eguso ye warm up to the Alcon mano Afcon baso den enra preparation him on the Black Queens of Ghana about Benin by 4 goals to 2 na ye hwese in Nigeria they be pim so on the 29th edition so sa efa mame ye in first game ye ball ye ne South Africa and ebia no on the 7th of July ye hwese de honsam so ebesi cup. Fifth, and I shall say, a game 7 against South Africa. It's Shannon Sumame, Susan Amaduya, Alice Kusi, and Chantel, and Nina Noshi. Woman share goes no at the Ghana. Now, if you want to concern from your copy more the President's Cup, na 2025 President's Cup, Basso, what the Accra Sports Stadium, and Payana Idrakura, na ye canisado no. Why an edge Accra to folk versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko on the 6th of July. Na ye sending some no Swiss yet no na Kwambias organizers no echo the commercial center of Accra to folk echo neomo echo chain and Komo Edins also send some a part of the game into some Koromo invite them officially. The managing director Dr. Dolali Yanku wano na ojina nice so I will come ga campaign for and one more organize the President's Cup afidi no.
Nanu fiada and a crowds of folk phobia never say die until the bones are rotten. Adibetuja says the Omapau, Masood Didi Dramani, so no, and the head coach. In Fima Kumakumienua, what in sa Asha contract as a coach Yankane or no, and a Dakumase as Santi Kotoko, ano, I find so no, FIFA 2022 World Cup Etoja Awakata no or assistant coach Edimane senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana. Afin so be Black Galas is head coach. If you and odine ni editor right to Dream Academia or also Okodi Juma ewo honum Fafei Ekuta FIFA CAF and afin so no Europa licenses B and CAF licenses A coaching certificate enye fedia grow. Pay for HMA Masood Didi Dramani and Ediwon Eko Boshe Asasi so. And no enam so Emma yene former technical director Edema the Ghana Football Association coach Oti Akente etwetwe nkomo emo no so edina echitai Edema Masood Didi Dramani.
It's not bad from a very good baby awako bia no mejimu adanse me wa rishimu se ono aso ankasa na dwuma de wa yibi hwe kotoko okọ titles awoji ono bombu de na yibi obeyi bia no dia Yamianim didn't want that. He's one of the brightest coaches in our Ghana. As he's one more, and then I don't have any problem. I recommend it.
Owie and the Pehin or Da House of Folk supporters are no Elvis Herman Hesse, Eso Twitching Komo, and Monoso, Edin Numusem, Etu Jaifa Masood Didi Dramani home.
Adia ba kusua enra ye share coach boni say ye ni supporters no ebe communicate ama ye ni omo enya kata se na be ya ye mfa pressure bebre su enkotu coach ni so adia ba ko say nyina ye tumi woni say we need consistency also with the technical direction of the club so coach is beba na ebi omo abeye adwuma na at a point team no no maybe I pam coach na fufraba no emwaye nti sesia no mani agi the appointment of Didi ho no tre na ye be kwa share supported na ye ni o makodi nkomo apom ato say coach ni si o woni short term goals ni medium term goals and the long term goals so both we the supporters leaders and the supporters will discuss the short term goals the medium term and the long term.
I know I have some folk omo coach who fra bane ho asem emom ye be near the President's Cup no de no and so dia bana omo nua na wa hye yeah Kumasi Asante Kotoko o ma ka che ne ebo rest sia na still omo guso announce new players eba foforo dia betom yenkom
2024-2025 Ghana Premier League season no akona wieye na ewom se krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko boboko no antumi age league no ansi wonanso de wabra woto so miensa na wode emma no aduonu nwotwe ene wieye nanso wotimi mia wonani age FA Cup no edisi wonanso ne sa ahunti boboko kese ahyase a wasensan players awodo a womede bedi dwuma next season awabra womede besi o makokro Ghana nemu ewo CAF Confederation Cup no mu na mprempren a me no kasei Wama signing players and miensa yedi kan ani brekum Chelsea wamo dynamic midfielder Eban Trivela dia na se oye master ewumpa Hubert Jau Francis Aqua and so see Bechem United boboko no one left back ne modern one washopa onso so wababa bedru kotoko boko no wamakachi ana abrantia abra Dreams FC boko drew semi-final of the CAF Confederation Cup last 2 seasons no na odimu atinti manpa Johnson upon bra asante kotoko boko no ensa kan Hubert Jawa odi djuma de mabrekum Chelsea no odi nsema to dwase na nani suade hunu nyina ne se da chan kwama bi no obetimi anya akwanya abo ade amabo boko kese bako a Ghana ha enti ni gisem kese pa de mano se ne waba be premu e wa asante kotoko
because as a young player and a opportunity no. And you know Kotoko is a big club. Name me dream semi Kotoko. Name me dream semi Kotoko. The opportunity in Bayern. Namani ajipa. As a footballer, one thing in confidence. So confidence na adia baby a unso.
Oyechi no Francis Akwa onso bɔ ne ball edema Bechem United no oba be piem okotokwa na ɔde atodwa sɛ na nwaho a so onso ba be di ne dwuma ede ama crop ya bɔ boku no ɛsan sɛ ogidi pa sɛ yɛka bɔ boku a abakɔsɛm kɛseɛ pa yɛ ka report kɛsɛm sɛ legacy no obi Ghana ha dia na nye bɔ boku bi asa kotoko na ɔba sɛ sa legacy na kotoko no ɔno so ede na nimonyam ɛba ba beto aso
what ma ba ne de ama shigirisim de ne team ne yena na yenso ɛba beto aso ti supporters no mo expect something big from him.
Wow, Koroko, the course so and more now. Yanko na yen sheba star 281 hash Adom TV na fe de kakra guso me pacho o star 281 hash na baby say say the we be say multimedia channels na bebre wo but na watwisu Adom TV otwisu Adom TV pe na bi say asahe na wutwa na o de bia guso 5 10 20 30 40 na kosa na fe amao se ball p no ehim eye omumo no abo na ate fine na babetom na kwambia so chances no increase so betumi adi sika. Now chairman the Referees Association of Ghana right George Saija and in some to Jaka Krechire Moses still down the Ghana Football Association Ediomuka a was sre secretary Krekuni na chidom omomwana nka sika keke mu ntua kransa na season eba no ahyasia
for ekane de enya ye wakadada no ena this particular season ya boyi 34 matches FA Cup etia out of the 34 matches no Premier and the best 12 weeks penalty out of 34 weeks that's 12 weeks in etia and you subtract 12 from 34 no 22 weeks 20 weeks in try 2 FA Cup no so in try I'm saying see from round of 16 deba up to the ending in try na referee I don't know we say I don't know what to make this matches the woman say yeah adwuma na ye calling so if you don't have special interest ma adwuma na let's also put a schedule o de bufo be jai because in the beginning of the year obi ande obi aka now from the week 1 kwa ko 34 na ne pane say minister memo just 12 I don't know it means when the finance legal company be na finance company bia na finance yan referees na individual san yes finance legal until na campaign bi no one person be team until ye pre finance yan na pre finance legal nipa free ha ko du boku aha ko du paga ha ko du tamale wa embaka e denya o hwes kana de ma no 750 any 1100 cedis na and so transportation in and out awo kasi mo kwa da hotel that's the biggest challenge na yewo referee ko du ho a hotel dance see a one yakra mpo na at least ebebu 400 Ghana cedis per night now ko do lorry fare in and out ebebu by 1000 na that's gonna ye 2100.
Wow, I know need the cost referees are catching now. Star 281 hash select Adom TV. Na fe NDC and pay 1000. Me kona 1000 as soon until if I can go man pay. Me ko ina na wo trap. Me ko ina na wo trap. Abeto Dra said President of the Ghana Boxing Authority also on yadwani bim Mr. Abraham Koteni Kwe or say ameno afro no kra. Na what you say yes. Or the in some to Dra wo say personal reasons. Eti no dia adwuma nyina e dia to no Mohammed Amin Lamte on na kasa ma Ghana Boxing Authority sansem yi ntia nyina akokofa baaye no wa kire mu
as the GB president on 23rd of July na the last year I'm saying I elected no as the president but it is better he needs to call it today. Or calling the day, it's a personal reason because in 24 people are friend, make a decision, they say that remember. Never say, I don't know who said the way I cost never to me how psychologically, mentally, then it's better you bow out and allow other people to come and take over. Report on a buyer, how many weeks now? Minister no say is now going to forward it to his lawyer for approval. Approval no nyam buy. Now, so as somebody to tell from no, it's better he bows out and allow the minister. Maybe already no more a capture or more report them say they are going to set up an interim committee or an interim body to take over Ghana Professional Boxing League and Ghana.
Wow, I see the Lamte or the two Jawanona war here Kasama for the Ghana Boxing Authority or Semra so see for a press conference now boy Mundi Intipa we see from Elho and more and one summoning start to each one Adom TV maybe just see about Mortar Guinness can one pay Nadine Samneba and you know to China Kupimo Franco Fakacha say no matter the phone no matter the appliance Oboro Makashia now so waja wodi na bibia sweat me ako oye Sabri Mraso make 1,000 cedis me catch yourself kakregum na in iska anopai enye azan aye real 1,000 every day we pay me ya na san channel so 2,000 every morning ewo bedwam so na me can chow 1,000 and san later bit ma san the 1,000 bim enti enye atwa kra yenum kakra yenum aha okay 5 4 3 2 1 maybe none way 055 68 06 something. Ah, Brady Yankopon. Yee. Me catch also obedi. 055 68 06 something. Yes, enti ay Brady Yankopon. Yee. Me mama hade. Hey. Ufuna di oh why ade? Wa di no. And then why ade? Abodjuma pa. Why dear papa and yasam keto akra anti ho samaring na ye twen Mortar Guinness some ma obina o de preparation and Mortar Guinness de pa Mortar Guinness enwani no ahodo ahyemu ma be no en yasam keto akra na ye be call now Mr. Martino sana guesting in afrewo we have more robust construction rama say yamfanche ma ona no pay also na de nyina ne o yes Martino. Fantastic morning going out to you. Yes, you so winner no see ane na kasansan yakọ because I say you winner neba. Aha, you winner where are you? Jack, where are you? Bramienko me hwe say aha, fawo nya say oh yeah he na obeka say won famienko. Famienko. Why also hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, betom.
Yeah.
Now no no.
Nabio abetomo.
All right. Ya the radio say ahin abetom
1,000.
1,000.
Oh.
Now utwa
we 200.
Wow. And there is 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, madam pa.
Wow. Why are there? See, one was afraid nyaza.
Oh, nyaza.
Oh, first time I would try be.
Was it? Nabio na mi chada mindi.
Oh. And then the weti olaka shine. What it?
Me da say.
Fantastic. Yeah, that's a pass.
O say? Mo be drop.
Ah, ya be ba kwa kan.
No.
They say olaka shine dey a pick keke.
A pick keke.
A pick. Tifa hun jim. Why? O say why here na was here?
Oh, me wa shama gbe chile.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Thank you so much. Why?
You're welcome.
Sika yesi twane di just wetimi adi e dia go botomo right awuza ati ya wasama na Mortar Guinness adamase Franco adamase ya de ubesi na the beautiful Mrs. Fiama Kwatama Claudia Pomode on sama shalai owia na de akatwa so bedwam na ugusu hwe Mr. Samuel Doduno ye kokuma say yes Kangen Water is Ashanti region ma say babia the whole Ghana ma say babia Kangen Water well they so do pomode be diagra no munso bi akeke sewala Mr. Samuel Doduno fantastic morning go out to you Kangen Water juma phone nyina ya na wakai de nankasa kakejwa ne ho Erica Siedu Bwani koso ha bedwam
midi de afia amankwa tamaklo na wotwe mu nkomo nyina ya sickle cell ejidi yese usuade 5 minutes yenche ebi ene de di kan ya ohwe esi yenya efri awofo no mienu ho ida be fa SF papa ho no akofa CEO maame ho sa ne ma no aha na ofa S wo ha no asa akofa S na be SS na akoye SC na akoye SD chese bibri medofo ekwan de prevent ya ne se obi a be hunu ne de tu hia wodofo no de kan no a manage wo ho kwaku na me no me ye AS o afia me so manage wo ho me ye AC ene kwaku ye do ne entime nhyase yentitim ne enkope de beboa ye daache se ye te ho ase wese ya botaye ne bedu ho se ye beku atia sickle cell ye ne oba pa wayi no ho asi ho so body fa sickle cell ho jimaima amoisi benyi o police hospital mura ho na hwehwe no obemu education ma arehwo ni nyina aba fom na wotwe oni ye kasa oba ya na ase that's papa ya my number no my answer
okay me number ni 024 6069805
okay
024 6069805
ami sure no adwumaden em say no ade ne ya nhye dan wie papa kwan ben ye betimi amanage and ya prevent crisis
ya prevent crisis no enti no wa no munso a the crisis be ban say onu munso often
okay
one reduce stress o ya stress up o be nya crisis it is exams time bibi aha obi kro mo enyi na bia ne bibi efrim ni ade ni nyina to me the crisis ne by na one thing no munya o menstruation so a eno so ma no menstruation mbo ndi obi wo ha enye dysmenorrhea that's enye ni danie eno so to me the crisis ba aha and so didi well balanced diet food eno so be prevent it and he say wonum nso a enyu bibia ye chilled at least the day and I say whether no so enyu I say otimi cover ho
okay
and obetimi I physical exercise ni ade but ni say oye to the extreme and also yeah
enye ni bebre sebi obi a yehu ne so ndo o ahoden wo ni sickle cell ni bi so ye kakra no wade wa home
yes because so what dey na ye mframa o problem ni say untimi nje mframa ni bebre unya but endorse ntino so yes anema we nyina na so bebo
e mate so omo no madura brebia
mpa nti omo no folic acid and zinc-ovate ye mo mojeduro bia because Adam mojeduro iron wom na iron no obi osike so more won ni pedue ni mu aha nti no zinc-ovate no ye vitamins mineral no so boa ma red blood cell mu shekena nti no no me no a no so boa no and your hydroxyurea and also boa pa
and no pharmacy no crisis number no makoto
there be and they be aba fa ba ko ohun ye o and I say
no matter
so
obenu ene folic acid na bom
yes but e be all no after 10 minutes 15 minutes now one aha men fam bom sa na ni nyina wo no because e boa ma e share red blood cell no mu kena na enya ahoden a betimi edi aye ahonti esremo mo skepe
okay
eya o mo fa
ye no me no ne no mu nsuo na nkran ketwa na
nte wo na wo behwe e na de ya ne say parents no wo for the complaints but baby bi afa akra no ko school a o mu nyamboa from teachers no nte mesre eya o mu ne o mu direct teachers ne head of the schools ne nkasa na eya o mu church o mu nim no o mu kan church no mu timi mbo o mu na nkwala ne ba nsuo ne de ombe ye bia no o metimi ahwe na o afa crisis ambe fi
nti omo no de omo nam a e wo se nsuo krakra wo
yes and infection prevention
okay
especially malaria so ye ne ma o be preventing malaria and also to me the crisis by to prevent and also ne ada then personal hygiene
okay
ahonidi and so we here pa
okay
na immune system no metimi aye
fine ti fruit die
and
vegetable any option
there any option
e was a con aduane no who di fufu kra fruit nsi ho
but the open no na weti made in ye ye ntimi ka say di we the open no na di but the more of the vitamin C wo mu no orange pineapple yoyi alasa sa na ema ni nyina pear no mango no nyina abo
e da say
Neseme dasi.
Hu se utie ni ye me dasi wo ho. Otuna sabre ya asa kan ye ho na ye ntoa so. Ye fancy sickle cell no. Wa ko check wo de enye late. nyame adom wa wo ba first one unni mu status akra no so you okay still kokko check na yintimi mu aboa ye ho din ne ye fia amankwa tamaklo endpoint homeopathy clinic won ada romanti e de edi sa nkomo yi nti ukọ kohwe wapomden wo a e be me de ofa doctor Edu aten so personal doctor so a many beje ho pa 0244867068 ochankwa ho den wo a kan ho Yada say yansa mo akwa ba bi Adom TV Badwam dwumade yi eso yada say omre no wadaje abribia wode maye yada so say we social health tips na wotwe mu ye kasa fa sickle cell ho chena nyame ya doma 5 minutes abre no a ye bese hia na yato so yemfa na semhia pa na yenkoye ne ese na efata yenkoso anase Ghana for your client ne your guest ne ya hwefo 30 years multimedia yeda mo ase muntia ene ye sori ahono pake kan ye ho be ye nwumei se mo anhwa ye ni ba bia ko mo amfa mo dwaton de ameso asene a ye nya bi mfantua ye ka ti yeda mo ase KT ne board of directors management staff mu nyina obia ya de ti na ba bedru ba bia dri yeda mo ase media fia amankwa tamaklo Majoy Trish atadi ba ko fefefe ene shemsa so ko Instagram ni Facebook a Majoy Trish e wo ho atadi bia wo pe no wo benya bi ahye kama na Frederick Opticals and so shemeni no abohoka ne don must give us Herbal Center ba anopay e ba be hwe give us imnu e wadwama so ene ne ye wo di peduemo e mu akwa be na bia bokode Dr. Kwabin so hoye
nyame adom ne hoye pa
yes wada oba yintio
me pa chomat ebusua na no pe no ma menchia mo na me ma mo nyina ache mama kwa ba mfambra eye kasa fidie so ene no pe na ena no pe ye be din apomodi ho enkomo yenro nso a ye de aba adwama so nyina no me pa cho ya kai na hye no so yankasa ye memu hahama dubina ne dinsia hodo no ena Dr. Solomon Kwabi ena ma baefu ne nimdie kwan so aye de aba hahama na tete ya na nanom tete na de go da asemu di sija so edi nsuogu ho ankatwede ne na eka no eno ezan se na wunya da age enkonko soja enkonko so muchi ani nti no eno ene ya ni nyina ye wie ne de koma FDA fo wo mo so mo de afom mfidie mu ahwehwe mu ehu sampa edro no yare ahodo a ye se etu ase no eno pepepe na ye eno nti na ebre ne ye don bia no ye bon dewro edema na me ba cho anope wutie mi no men twen se yare ne nche wansa men twen se yare ne nka won shansa na mom no nipedua no ne ye kan se human anatomy no hu se ensakra bi ibemu na hu ensunsanso bi no mu a me ba cho na watu wana mo edre kita me we ena ye givers herbal mixture ena madwuma pa na adwuma so aduntie Ghana for na mo atena se ena mo se edro we de ene ntontom da ho de me call pharmaceutical shop licensed chemical shop any baby ya ton adro bia na me ntumi nka givers herbal mixture na ene me mama no so a so mama givers entontom ye den eda ho no bi nurse ye yi ede ama na me pa cho na etie ni wonze na nsen enso ya hya ase egugugugu a enti wa hwe wo mfikyire ho eho no mu afu hwe wadwuma mu ho eho no mu afu baby a wudi dwa baby a woton ade no hwe montmon kan wo ho gata wo ho ni efinin kan wo mo no ade ba ko pe na ede ba kopai abo antontom na antontom so no eye nia ye fe no female anopheles no ede ne ho gimu a o ka o so edua wa ha nipedua no wa ha onipa mu na nkasa enti ene na o wa hoode na wo ko ba no manwi so ene o de yare bi ani hu ene malaria de o de ye den ena typhoid de efihi na ebe che o mepa cho da bi ese otu hu anamo tresem no kra kan de ato se obi nim edon ne ebre a oje for we den ebeba enti wonnim da yare be kan wa hye e bia sa de anase ne kra ena wo ko jade hia de kese pa enti na me kan for dem out say give us about mixture no e2 eye 3D any type for that said am no e say boost to immune system no e boa enkwamwa na ebo nipedua no ban ma ekutia yare bia wa nkwamwa na ebo nipedua no ban na no mra ene yare bia yi ni tiape ene na oba wadwe so obebo ne sese e wo nchen eno nti ne yesi mentwen enti sutobre mu a yewa mu eni ahemachi na wo sori o anopa na wo ko ewie nyina e condition nyina na ntontom yo mu ni na mu saa na wo so mu filibi entu wo honom na wo so wonu mu ato aduane bia no wo kon empampan no kra ba enya ade a woni eje ho me ba cho tu ho anamo ko ne yen ko hwehwe o nipaduan mu anase o moje no se yesi ye hu eye entontom usuo eye plasmodium parasite ni bi e wo huntini no mu a ko herbal shop pharmaceutical shop licensed chemical shop anase be bi e ton waduro oman mu ene amano ne nyina no na kope givers herbal mixture ibi obi wo hono mo anaju de suemu anka onyunu adwo wiem adwo form no na afi na ne ho popo che na wo hyew de no na mfifre te no me pa cho ko test wie na eye 3D amoni bi na woni pedua no mu a ebra wo hia eye givers herbal mixture me pa cho tu ho anamo eza se be bi e wo nyina de eno a na se e koso entuntum ni number bia wo feature ya won no gata ye wo ni ma unyi mu me pa cho givers herbal mixture de me ma ne mpa ofie me ma ne mpa wa adwuma mu o bag mu ka yi ehyen a wo de kwa adwuma ni nyina no bomoden na pa edure bi ewo mu eno na betumi aboa wo emufro madi mfinhye dumienu eko wo betumi anu givers herbal mixture ebi enti me bi ndefie ebi amanu guso amedi nkomo ya bebe so ni ebedi nkomo na wonti bibi ase a wo betumi afre eye 0543 22 2470 0543 22 2470 na kope givers herbal mixture eye givers antontom eden eda hunu bi sanam di kan ya nkase ye memu hahama eno ana ya tetetete a eneja ya kikase ni ene ye de aye duro yi etumi de abadwa so ede ama wonti bomoden na kope bi nanom netu yare bia se ye malaria se ye typhoid anaso wo ho enne na onipedua ba bi ye oya asa wada na adwuna nka wasoro de ese onya hoden na otumi di sori ko nwuma so enso sori e waye boho uji hu bia nje nipedua na ye mre me ba cho eye nkwama na ebo nipedua no ban no ena anu adwojo ese o shimukina ese o manage na brane na etumi ye konkan enfama o hahama eni bibiduro ena wo hia eno na ye givers herbal mixture givers antontom da ho na wotumi akọ tobi na wanom na bibia no etumi akonkan e de ama we eye givers co capsules ena we nso eye givers p capsules be ba cho wa wutie mi awo san hweme e bia wo de no so ayemtim ena aba oso ene ye be ye nansa na wotwe na sebi ongongo chia na nanmo eye anase gyanan bia kra no enya da wotumi akọ be ba cho obi biara ayemtim hawo na ye kan constipation tete wono we draw here ye givers co capsules and afi givers p capsules na wotumi anom ezan se wo ye oba wo ye bema na ayemtim wo so a edin sunsu aso hododo na na de bre ni pedua no enu nti na mentwen ma ayemtim embeje ni pedua no emoso enti draw we na wo hia na wotumi akwakonom na etumi aboa na ebre na edo nyina no abo ni pedua no detoxify ni pedua no ma ni pedua no apegil na afa de ni aka ni pedua no nyina no etumi aba besen eden etumi de akọ eye givers co capsules and afa givers p capsules obi nso de ohon ma obo nso ebre bi ohon ma nani wo be pusa nani sa de bia no feche nani sa o mu anu okwam asa bibi hyehye ni minimu awon bo so afere kokodu nipemu a na ne hu eye de amanfo ehin obi nso won ma na asomu ekeka na de ne de wonya bibi ofam sese ana watam na hyehye na asom na se ya e ba chokoko ni amaman na agi ni pedua na aboso ese otumi tu ase na ni pedua na nya hoden edra wo hia no pei eye givers co capsules na afa ni p capsules se bema ayemtim wo so a enne ma aye omira oye awon pemu mira oye awon pemu eno ne ye kokofa de ba ezan san hoden no intini na ese moja no tumi femu de ba no enye adwuma yi oban so ho no so mi de mini atenka frigidity ena mi de omi de mi mfele hwe me pa cho bomodin na kopa edupa nanom eye givers co capsules ena afa givers p capsules eno ena ohia no pei na watumi akwakoto bosumi be kwa wiye de bomode na onipedua no ehu hia o na bɔ ho ka na bosom foforo ye be wremu nso no wetumi aden enya hoɔden na nsia na aka no wetumi de twa afie no edro ya me ne odi nkomo enye na ukọ herbal shop pharmaceutical shop licensed chemical shop any baby e ton edro bia na ubenya givers co capsules any ni p capsules na bema oba ayemtim aye how ko ni amama agi ni pedua na boso no wetumi etu ase uwi a pe givers herbal mixture givers antontom da hono bi na nonom netu malaria etridi ase na ni pedua no entumi nyina brane wonti bibi ase obepesa oni ye bedi nkomo a eye 0543 22 24 70 0543 22 24 70 na oni givers herbal center eni nkomo ena no pay
yada se papa panti givers herbal center for na wate won kana medofo mesro fa number na no wafa wafre bibi a kire wadua Dr. Penny wo ho obeti o na fei one wodi nkomo yenkomra ba ku bi wo ho pa na yeba ebetwaso yada se yam wakọ ba bi emra Adom TV Badwam dwumadie yi eso yada so mre ene adaje a wode ma ya bribia medi afia amankwa tamaklo enyimfiri ha ne tie wei pa na nkomo we nso de yie nyame ya Adom a ye AUCB alumni meet and greet 2025 and also baso networking nyame ya Adom akosukui first never no AUCC nyame ya Adom obi ma ye chese tuba honum a bia na wo blessing bi hwe obi botom se ne ye koye di mu ankasa ntino anopai de kumoji mtete awka oye member of planning committee wa ha na dosia obri asare deputy organizing secretary and menyo mu ha ebedi nkomo e memu makwa be na bia bokode apato wo ye say
we 2013
okay now so
me 2019
okay now me 2014.
Wow. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Enti nyame ya Adom meet and greet.
Okay.
Baso. Mama fen free kumoji hoi. Mpacho bonetofa meet and greet be ya.
Okay, meet and greet no we stronko. Very networking event be one of its kind. They say no AUCB you name the dada AUCC no. They say AUCB.
The AUCB near the
African University of Communication and Business.
Okay.
The full meaning, you know.
Yes.
The 1st July no, Asia Discovery House Dabraka.
Okay.
It's never IBDD home common because EWA school no I check pa. Until I say it me share networking opportunity bi o wa na yetimi edidi e ho nkomo ezi anso a AUCB enya charter yi nti enu nti na ye wa nti 1 July die ampaya ebedwa
wow amkodosi ahwe no so moja emumu nti wadaro ma de nti a e wo so bi a wafa former AUCC ai na eye AUCB e wo so oba nyame ya Adom 1 July ye Tuesday mebo a ebre na ye time be
Emrani enyumre no.
Oh, okay, 5 p.m.
No, yes. Ebe cocktail.
Ebe no where did you?
Exactly. Ti asise dwumedie bi so e na se ne obi sa ye no. Em say ye wie school ache ato omo wie last year. Na wo mu say bra ye be school no na dodo na ye dwuma deda but we are at a time in life just say you see who you know but meme de who you know and who knows you abeka ho nti obi a wo call AIJC AUCC AUCB so wo to me bo modern eba program e bia na wo colleagues ana say wo mates wo ni omotena class mu share be 10 15 years ago no mo to me be here at least we are able to reconnect again and there are lots of opportunities out there say no say be wo be bu obi a anye we busu eni a ebi ana wa soreba ana obi a woni ne ko school nti ye be sre na obi oko AUCC AIJC AUCB bia a wo wiase afane nyina bebi owo bia no Tuesday 1st July nyamboa yeda aban fufure ya se ode ama ye holiday nti anopa ne ewia no eja ye koye ne ebe ye a enwumre no na ye nya ye fa ye ni enkyere ho opportunities ne de metumi aboa me colleague ebi ana wo ba kra ehia moa exactly nti ehia pa
nti dwumadi ati say me sure say school adada for alumni nko a ye wo mpanimfo ahodo bi a omo ba bi ti se hwan
ye wo honorable Kojuyanka oye founder of AIJC AUCC AUCB ono so ba and ye wo ye ora mame
ora Frank Edu
oye new chancellor of AUCB ono so a special guest at Oba na all students ni so no ya ye obebre wo hono and industry all student Jerry Justice they say Adom TV ha ni multimedia there
we crowd say Nathaniel Ato citizen Ato
ono so ye all student
nim se baki no multimedia there
Abna Poku anso ye all student Selas nso ye all student omodo Mike 2
Baba Tando
Baba amroni fo nyira momro wo ntime obodi ne mba first can bra
some media houses ne there omaje school na
wow
your time I had about close to 9 or 10 from the very prominent media houses.
Police for one.
Police for the baby.
I don't have class and none because one. Challenge is wow. Tinyami aduma Tuesday 5 p.m.
5 p.m. exactly.
Ye didi e ho komo.
Exactly.
Wow. But apart from no bibi wo ho maybe e be yashe school na nyama na.
Yeah, you on say ye wo horse our campus your African Unity your Dinkra or Baba or when Discovery or ti your good day kakra bia e be ye no wow any of the horse na say oba achede nso o ha ye de be ma nti year group no nso eno nso e say utime ba nti your agudie bebre o ha ye be ye that day no
ne bia contact bi o ha
yes contact o wa obetimi afre say bia o hear more information obetimi afre 0277 716464 0277 716464.
Memra dosia ho ye wo ata dress code bi ana.
Dress code ne there any casual any good attire for the evening. Yes.
Okay, ebitumi asaba.
Exactly. Because there are lots of program lineup into ye person bia feel free
sir
na utumi Kenya.
Nti mo my direction to the place na nka so obi o ha say afa na ni so. By other visitors in Subetimi Aba.
Of course, our doors are widely open. And our school, no, thank God, and so it's located in the central of Accra.
Exactly. Center of the city.
And no crane say me crime mama call. To me fi me dwuma mu a direct na mabaho. Nti who call AUCC. Sorry, AUCB, Discovery House na. From Kwame Nkrumah Circle, you get to Roxy. If you are driving, you take your left. Then you continue. Just about less than 100 meters from Roxy Cinema.
Into the SOB crime is from NDC headquarters, the next junction. And
exactly.
The next two junctions.
Yes, the next two junctions.
From NDC headquarters at Abraka, the next two junctions. What any or left.
So one driving so now what the commercial car there by no so we do Roxy and we see now walk across the road and now if you are crown bar the two junctions before Champion Restaurant Evangel Assemblies of God we see one and I will turn here yes and I said Google Map and so which me about AUCC I think yes on the map you will get it AUCC
okay.
It's just straightforward.
Okay. Tiano Nyambua Tuesday. Any Asia. Meet and greet. 2025. Networking.
Exactly.
So be Yamra. If you watch it.
Apart from social media, Facebook,
no cry or group pages and me idea Ubehu so be comment about on kind and Yamra because changes aba.
Exactly. No masses. Because when your promotions or more ya form a handful near the Nanante boa.
Nana
Obama in Tonwa.
Oh, but another Nana be not so ye mate or a police in it.
Okay.
Hey, Yehoa. Oh, I tell you, yeah. I'm really Nana D. Hey, Collins. It was Collins are different. So now I'm cost. Fatchem is a man, Uncle Dino, Fatchem. Tenny, be who be a manner.
Senior Yakanunti, say be out here information bia number na me boy no 0277 716464 obetimi afre 0244 822034 0244 822034 into for information bia onye bia no e de be ma
that's it kumaji ne dosia ya mishram na
ya so ya damase ne akwanya amode amai
sa motbi da de ames ya beba ya duma enti yen komra na ya betwa so ya da se ya mo kwa babiem ya Adom TV Badwam na uguso ehwe no medindi afia amankwa tamaklo me da se umre no wadaje ode ma ya bribia enyi firi ha ne tie nkomo wenso eye pa pomode de bia me ka kire utwam no obi kan bia ode tie enye wo ba ode tie na wankasa ade abo ho bra ode ahwe ho wonni mo health a wonni problem nti na Adom Herbal Center ba abnaba pagide edwamo ni edi nkomo ba mo akwa be na bia boko de se do mo so ho ye
nyamiado hwehwe no hwehwe
enche obehume enche kura wadawo ma yentie na Adom Herbal Center
ebusia no pay me din chia hefi na Adom Herbal Center ebro bibia ohwe no pay ohwe ya we are blessed though because hey indu papa na Adom Herbal Center ye de aba no esese wankasa so ye de usobi ehwe ye wo nafa X-Vein mixture nafa X-Vein capsules and afa so nafa Lady Clean me nyabema misrew ment na ho Emma ne nyansa entina ho ma ne nye too late ansa no afre me sister bina me je me ho NGO sister bina me jonsa na me te ya sa be do wala me kwa brochire we face the fiance no ni ho me ne be ko enti me straw enne ya oti yenken symptoms no ashas ya make sure so be pay do ni bi ansa na ye too late me nwa be ma ojonsa na oti ya e wo be memu ukojire fiche so kojonsa ubachi match say ye den na jonso no emaye jonso no be ba mpo a either say su fita bi anase moje bi edi akire eba o feel say wa jonso but still na ebia kem unyaye a anka wo be jonso mo so jonso no entimi massa ne yesene fata adentina wo so otentina ho make sure say wo sabeka nafa X-Vein mixture ene ne capsule CB be hwa boa na eyisa ha ni na efi ho no mo e de amount nafa X-Vein mixture ne capsules no e 100% natural yankasa ye haban ene yendu bran ene ye de tunko no mu wi nkoni ejira sembia da bi mesraw urinary tract infections no set na wo so check na se wan hwe no pɛ mpo masibi na atentina ho a okɔ hospital ma kɔ show rubber ti misraw ema na nyansa ene ya wo hwe mi ya wo se ni ma bi nkoyie odwonso na wo te ya odwonso na nsuo bi edi akire ba tum se nso begu be ma na no na kekaw afa obe ma no ahya sese esesa kala tum se enya se nete ahya sese pompono mmom asan kwa akohyem misraw ment na honom na enya nhwe han make sure se won sa be kanafa X-Vein mixture ene ne capsule CB ebe hwa aboa na eyisa ha ni na efi honom de ama oye be memu a usipisi tampo ene da asen na infections eba beji wutu efi wosem chama waso be ye hye pop mesro entina ho ema no enyansa ebia wo hwe me encho be frifie fa ye number yi na efre ye number na 053 11 56 556 053 11 56 556 enye mema no nko ene ye edroi edema ho ema no so betumi anom ama no ayeye but oba no wonum nafa X-Vein mixture ene ne capsules na say nete kama e won tuom fe kama na wanum nafa we no no be insert na we use nafa Lady Clean no so e the account we no nafa X-Vein mixture ne capsules no na we insert nafa Lady Clean we 100% natural then kasa ye haban ene ye dubram na Adom Herbal Center akokwaye makoteti ndua haban ni ndua hini e ye fam fidiem ahoro ho ai ne krogen ye wi a doctor fekuku dam ene ejina fidie hu die droyi ai die haban na ye droyi kama ye wi enso da saba kakra ahye ho ye dwem ho we have your interest at heart into cotton no say box no so into me fa kese the cute one kakra bi na there ahye ho cotton de no bo nya din mpacho use na sa na wasan to kakra dem e de asocket no we hwe kakra dem e de egum na de o de akoha so ya haban mo no na untumi enfa enhye ho a obetumi hwe egu cotton na de we squeeze liquid no sio no e de gu obesisi ho kama e de infection ni na
infections are when treated na hunsun so ni
bebre otina oso chetu men kan bo ne ba ho we ka say na onim nie nti ana feel of sudden kan enye one day na de bai awo ho no mo ache just that we pay attention to it timi pa cho ho no ma keka wo ho ana so begu ho no mo no entent na ho make sure someone sabeka na fa lady clean na fa x-ray mixture ne capsules ne bi na nhwe mboa ne into infection asini na emfa emantimi nwaba mesra wo bi a ubu nse wi na eja wenka obu akwa ndo ofre mo sister bena me cycle no ba na nkasa no enka no ewom osodo ne nsaka adenche mo fancha ode nsaka moja na so hwa hu se enka wom ti imagine se we wie na enka eja wo ho no ya na asefem ahomete tim sraw se wo kosa how we bi mu a bomodi aso obeba na Adom Herbal Center na yenhwe ne mbo a ne yisa how na fi wono mo emfa ema imagine se wo early 20s a wo keka kwa aware na sa o how yi ababet na wo so na sent wo ewo hu be ma ne ba me sister aunt na ho odu beja ho bu ha no aka se ne fiefo na eye na me patron spiritual check it, pay attention to it. And so I be going if you no make a war in Sia egu asabia den carbone and namino. Make sure someone sabe can not lady clean, not for x-ray mixture and capsules, no train to us here, and for I'm also born when you're infection. No, I got 12 draw, the best 7 days, 3 days. I be call for some time, but I best answer because one pet fap him now. I dare no a walk. And nothing an Adom Herbal Center. Na for lady clean no all right. Ne mo be no x-ray mixture na capsules na ko system ni mu na kwa ko tu ase kra e dey amount. Enti Mr. Fire number their children so their bro so you've been married for so many years. I want to emma o menses no e ba na what say ya o e ba to me kwa adwuma e ba na just wa ya so jo ho adwo bo kwa na na ko to me fan ka fom. Wo dey send your how ni tie bia no. Papa na Adom Herbal Center ye behwe na ndu papa ye woni mo habu 20 ye behwe na ye yisa ha ni na efi ho no mo e de ma mesrew wakoye nipa dwan betumi break it down at any point in time sani obi cause or to came na obi ka to me say easy highway so na ni na sani nipa no da wani da no e be break it down be fail mesrew enta ho ma no enya nsa na apompo mesibra no pay ya wote ya kan wo hwe mi frɛ sani how ni tie bia no papa na Adom Herbal Center ye behwe na ya boawo say kasa na wo hia ye no be kasa kama say ye drone so na wo hia why not ye den drone be ma oni a tro say na obe no no ye wo ho adaje be frɛ unu me drone no say na ekɔ e bia obi wo no e kasa oh na me ni infection me koto keke but me sha say me no no ama me nya discharge bi say me nya ni ma bi pie fi ho no mo eba na e kyerɛ say e wo ho na mmom na enda ne ho adi nti e drone no e na akwa yi na ye den e de no eba to dey send your how ni tibia na fa bedan ye behwe na aboa your number no e 053 11 56 556 053 11 56 556 yendroi enye na pharmacy shops and herbal shops I work from ha bebia no wokwa obenya bi ato minya bobo we ka so oh me dey me okay na so ofele be why depressed because they say the amount for us one shepa no man for doing come out to say people are really going through a lot. Me say a lot now they will come no. Fabra na Adom Herbal Center. Nye drum kwa na ye ton yo mwa daje. E no mbe kasa na ya hwe ne aboa wo. What they say. Enti me patcho fire number yi na efreye. E 053 11 56 556 053 11 56 556 pharmacy shops and herbal shops. I work from ha bebia ukwa ubenya bi ato connection nso se apomodin pa wo hoi e ma setena pa timi dontena ho ma yare enje ni pedua no emoso ansana wape ho pharmacy bra na Adom Herbal Center e dundu papa se aba edwama so se sisu biem se wo infection oba de he na oba no oba de we ya na de benyi set na fa lady clean na afi wanom na fa x-ray mixture ene ne capsules no wo de benom no kama but we no small but mighty so infection no kure ni what to me disiesie wo ho e bia wo wie ye no anasa abrabo mu nsem ntina ma hemfie ho no bia infection no kure me teta so cha ti ma hemfie ho no e bia enti me srew entina ho ma na nya ansa make sure say won sabeka na lady clean bi e be hwa bia wo wie ye na abrabo mu nsem ntina ma hemfie ho no me bia o ti say say na wote no enya sa na wote ni mu masesa me srew me nkan bebre wa wate ase make sure say won sa ebeka na lady clean no e be hwa boa na e yisa ha no fi ho no mo e de ama e mema no so to na lady clean ne pa okay so omo de ma omo to pa omo de ma so bia pa de ye obia pa de ye na mema no mo kokuma so mo shoe size no okoto na se roro na che wa koto baba na roro abe obeto to pe de be chew kama sa na omo pe no to omo de shower na kama e na lady clean mema no kwa e to e se ma no fa nsisi om ho oba de so timi sisi ho na wa hu siesie no dim na esipi na esita enya se bia wa ye uti na uti ba koda ha na ba koda ha na front and go straight just waiting team skin na to so na so ahemfie honom enko yes oba obekọ men are attracted to what they see the ohu no eno na betwe na ba oba asa ahemfie honom enko ya obeja akọ so ba na nya kọ manage enya so ba na nya they manage but ahemfie ho nya sister we do do kono kwa there we no ya no me say we no obe too okay we no ya capsules no be too na we so ne ti wom na ohwegu na there okay odi aguso eno ano no enye de anopa wia na enwumre anopa na enwumre okay anopa mema no so sa anopa na enwumre okay anopa nti nafa we no lady clean no nti eno no ye after we jari anopa we jari no enwumre so awoda no me no you should ya untumi nya ade o person ye yi dia untumi use nti bi anopa no no way use but enwumre person o ma acha na abekọ awe abesro untumi fanshe ho nti anopa no na way use enwumre no ahohoro no kama number no 0531156556 0531156556 oba hwe na esiesie ho siesie no endimu na nsipi na ensita na Adom Herbal Center na yete won kan nti eno woni nsa woso siesie na frɛ na bibi kire wadwen wanta odia ofra Dr. Penny wo ho a obeti Throwback Thursday asa baby me mo akwa baba Badwam ahosepa dwumadie so world of entertainment yeah this is so style baby me am di dwumadie ho chia me din the sister sons be a guy drew Thursday na me guy na basa me ensa oh yeah man Sister Sunday be a guy. We a guy. Because I love Throwback Thursdays. I wish I be saying you my dear Thursdays 11:30. Unse me mfa throwback in dia grade. Ma me mfa nko wa chika kra. Krofo bi pie. Na yakoya nim kakra 2025 no. I'm not seeing them. So it's just right I do a roll call, innit? I was saying me a roll call because those days ne mo ede de bia me kan ela akoye throwback yi Mr. Webank abema me akwanya na me mie phone lines tipa be 5 onkwala abrem de na ma na ye ede de na wo kai we ye impromptu abesimi chin sisi a Mr. Weber because those days you know on na even compound house you know utimi no aduane no atibia ma obi bedi ne ma me kodwa so no ama na aduane be na we ye mistake pa komo obi be aduane na ne yam hwie kakra de be hye wo first no so we ye bone kra na o ma me kra ni ho yeah oba bro se ne yamba that was the discipline na ma me ba wasa bona mane ne amount so na mu ade sa time no wodi bone a o ma me adan for kra na betia wo asa na ma me ba obeto so obo abi sa say hey ametiwa ade na ma atena di ba bie obamount so kama be na ye mistake kra tia obi ba wotia mo sane ma me ayire na yem belt no aba ade na wo ka no na me ba no hey wotia wo ba ebi wo fie ene mo ne na discipline ati akono blessing a friend me blessing at 10 good morning pacho kumase fo ho ye
Obadi adaru makumasi fo bia hu yo
pia ya da trade ampo ase na ene throwback no onkwala abrem dia na waka dia na ma na ye de
me kwala blem ade ana ma na ye de pa ye pilalo ni aje so kwase adwuma
pilolo kwase adwuma pilolo ni na wo tete emwedo say dom so mbo game o TV so me da say Mr. Me Director Makweba so you shame go you puna yes I was we akura boni acha Makweba na nya me friend also for yenko ma me ne papa for mo ho good morning
Mr. Sandy Bia
me pa cho hina friend if you no pay
we two times a guy
okay Bryce biem kakra ma me dia no waka yenko na brim throwback
e ko na brim na chefe me ni ma me woman na chefe me mama we na che fe ye me mama we no me mama me wo me no na onim me kasa fan bi ni adia so ati ase
Wow. I see. But I see. So afraid. Hold on with the calls. Now you consent no. And so, gospel fraternity, there were dope groups until now. Or more private, but I can't say same about secular music. Yes, starting free Daughters of Glorious Jesus. Now me nyom on a choir story wo Bantima Praise Be. Hold on. Men starting free Tego Sisters. Tego Sisters. Many muingwa say that many mungwa say. Till now, me omubo shows. Till now, omubo shows. Omo ko mia still. 30-something years in the game. Emuye, eradini edi asita bemano. Me kaiwe ti enyumu ibrasisi. Majinedi, many ringwa seda. Omo ba kubi ankama tete. So kwa TikTok kro mo di video. Yes, so no ese kwa men kama tete ene nkole. And it's good to know so still. Omo H&M Tego Sisters. Good morning, baby. I'm one pay. Yeah, wish them all the very best. Yami mama who dena montuas will be about humana. So hi, good morning. Hello.
Hello, Sister Sandy B.
Hey, what you got? He not friend if you no pay, baby girl.
Me pacho me free Wenchi.
Wenchi now Dino.
Me pacho ye free me Abdurrahman Tahiratu.
Abdurrahman, salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Na diana waka throwback on kwala brim diana man ye de.
Oh, me kwa dia me kai si na
ko kaka bongo to e mami e pape huri bom fire na si so. Great memories. Me da si peace our friend me da say. Hey mami ne papa for e drew hope obi se me papa. Okay, obi abaso yentie no. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Yamia. Pasha hina frame if you no pay.
Okay, me show you Kumasi.
Right. Pasha na fro say.
If any mommy figure.
Mami, unkola bem de man here de na wakai.
Hey. Nyama kai de be na me me nua me ma no bodo so na ne edi azu. See that I could. Okay.
Make I pa. Hey, mijinem. Ba ku bi e kwa round na esusu ni atawu mu.
Na we we nsu a ye no awamo a. Ni etuma ko na so fun e dey dey esusu mi te yi ani adani egu awe ni na hwehwehwe. Da wa ya so ba we dey ni.
Ah.
That's it. Emani
fan den kabomba. Oh, nice. Oh, I know what can I say. But I see right. Hold on with the calls. Hold on now, Twa. So my main fan Anaya na hold you on. Hi, good morning, Anaya. Hello. Nana Pacho, good morning. I na frame if you no pay.
Pacho, because free Afranchu Kumasi.
Right. Na dia na waka on kwala any throwback.
Make I time Ye Jerry on Tomaso. We are shooting so great, so we are shooting so great, so you can know.
Oh man, they're feeling nostalgic. That's right. But I see if so firm and those days since you talk around when you go could name jare. Bench name jare, jare. So talk I could say, I'm glad because when you dos we are say. Young Kwama Aboagye so one also know one of the top gospel musicians, Mekai Kumasi Mercury FM, Sir Richie, at the Bar Studios, Achapai. Now, Kopia Mabruchi, where they just made them craft and peduso. Some pedukwa bruch on ready, mammy, because you were good, baby girl, and they miss you. Meradia, be a quiet mammy. Sana Makai time, I'm here praises and worship or praise, you know. But Shama Breast is here. I am Pedu Nimness and I'm a joint. Praises and worship team. Our Bethel congregation, son trust of praise be. Na me bo all too. Na no sister no lead the praises na ma. Me kwa asori ne de mic ne ma me say. Ka main lead the praises no. Dia ka ye history misa me. Praise you as a pass me nkamo. Ntete ye pa me da so ginem me nsesan. Yes anyum no na meja ato. Ye ntwa so. Also gospel for no. Still na page name Aboagye na
ye hu na kira kwan last time I appear na is social na so no nkofo so wano milk so mini ho mini milk kro no me de minim ba me hwehwe no page and all this no me remo pa o me hwehwe mo Adom TV I hwehwe all this no ye remfi mo ba ye nim ba bia ye be hu mo timpa cho obi ate me nka no ni mo mo Richard thank you ye mfi homra wi asifuom bandana from Ghana, hey, African Bastana, hey, and you me yo da Brianta, But the shutters that we could see watch it. There was a group called 4x4, made of 3 handsome boys, Coded, Prince, and I mean you creapimni BMA. Captain Smart. Hey, Captain Planet. Yeah, Mr. Captain Smart. Na name went there to the extent say Prince no on a 2 chorus. Fresh Prince name went there. Why na? Also be releasing a single. Omo cry there. Code that show your features or bonyum. Me who say Captain Planet and so release on so your solo about Prince na ye hu no. Together we stand, divided we fall. Prior we back way, but I was like, you say Captain Planet to US. Now Prince to US, yeah, Fresh Prince to US. And those were the days. It was the ish man, 4x4 people. About time we chrome. Yet me who yes we are Shaka Zulu, Sani and almost say Obi a kasongo no. Yo, yeah, accept it. We need you back together because hits now where they hit after hit because they came from book back group, you know. Mamin called Sacrum, Miami DM. There was this group because it was the first time in a group. It's me yet dance moves. It was the first time in a group. It's a hit, man. Brothers. Famaye. Sinanda did the sunny dinner in the DL. Let me tell me, am the pretty girl? Take off the UAE, my heart beats well. Oh, no, one person because I'm a money girl. Hey, Jenny Fanny put you one for any body girl. Hey, Halle Berry. Oh, your first name, Halle Berry. Oh, my kuna, you're celebrating. Haha, very funny. Hey, brothers, still a more. Bako ayare ninu aketua kinte kunta yare nyame adom ne ho atono still we music but as usual my separate are floating stone and so ne moves but I mean they are brothers hopefully they come together hopefully I hope that they still have the moves supercars disciples ebusia throwback show men fancy but mean to be fancy our group we say no Jembo Mudin ne from Enkase. Yo that boy what that's what na mo want Enkase omo anyum bebre bad ba kubi ehete me free tia bodom the capital town age sanyum no ebe pushi bunu for any bunu town no because nankofo bi wo hanya ne social media ye hu bia no na bi mon say kro bi di tua bodom it was through that tune and nankofo say town bi wo ho ye friend tua bodom capital ye gene obi akohwehwe kro no ye ko yesu hu say mu efe big shouts to mugina ya femo mombra Mr. Weber and my producer or my director OPD and my producer supervised by Mr. Welbeck Kofi Ampedu Thomas Waha Akins Waha Daniel Waha Sets PRO Benghazi MCR and Akobi a sound engineer Hidden Glow and Elise a makeup department. I'm the guy Queen about 11:30 session Adom TV so bisanyo manu throwback back to back 2 times a guy my main fan can say angel because no more I say yeah free to abadom back capital town hey be ko kumasijo be ko di congress
asemi yidika hinna beka
akwasi insia
Commander 6
kano send
it nyumwe na abe symmetry no pay na manim so nim to dia se die na memfana Yehowa na se woni ya wo yema meita die na memfanshe Yehowa na mu woni ya wo yema meita enyune de bruta ensem wo enyum ni mu no so nya daje ni bre na otimi etia ebebo ye pa o se bibia be fine e dia ba me dey akwasisia asebi di kabre e na edu so me ka se sika o sika *281#. Wanya adwum na okay be ba na do aba why *281#. Selecting option 4. Sika o sika *281#. Selecting option 4. Twagumisa no betwa be 5 Ghana cedis be 1000 cedis anopa ye. Twagumisa na fako. Did you say peche? Upi ora padie. Ba me ka say enne enna ye dey 1 week off. Abusua pani woba force kodwo mfum. Ye ka kodwo mfum a ye na ye di bo chipa no. Ona bo a otete net no. Eti e frɛ no mfum a otete net. Na no 1 week no eba so e wo hwediem wo ahafo mantem ne anopa no nsia e na hya se be sori anwumere no nsia na mpanifo ahye dapote pa ye de be ye papa eyo. O my God be ye bi e de amaye wasom Ghana e ba ye bobo emu a yanko ne yanko hya papa animonyam eti enne ena mfum a otete net ne 1 week no eba so e wo hwediem ye wo ahafo mantem. Ha, pass me home, like great Jehovah. Keep me through this. Young baby. So now I pay 8 yawa ekwo oprosum say waka say yawe konkoma kese ba nura. The press conference held by suspended Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, Justice Gertrude Araba Tokono, and a swift response from the Office of the President and Government Spokesperson, Honorable Felix Kwachi Ofosu. Eti weba se owo Mame Gertrude Araba Tokono ediana. My share some of the concerns now expressing with regard to a shemu ekoso or petitioner pedophobia filing against her. Mame Tokono.
How does anyone defend themselves without a copy of the complaint that they have been summoned to come and answer to? This Article 146 committee has refused to give me copies of the petitions that His Excellency the President gave to them. They refused to give me copies, a copy of the prima facie determination that His Excellency the President is supposed to have given to them. They claim that they know that the President sent me copies on 27th March of the petition on 27th March 2025. And so they do not need to show me what the President gave to them. They also claim to have copies of the responses that I gave to the President, but they will not provide the petitioners with copies of my responses. The difficulty with this is, because they are the independent body charged with the duty to conduct the hearing, what I have in my hand from the President could be different from what they have. And I cannot assume that the two copies are the same.
The first portion, no say krata de bɔ ne code no committee na mampani ate sɛ ɔmonye ne nsɛm hwɛmu no ɔpɛ krata be the free committee no one ba committee ni sɛ mampani aman krata be da no so mmambe na mfa toto sɛ ampani mampani maame no ɛno abi ne kuta mo ɛwɔ ana wo sɛ committee nso mfa ɛma no afei yɛhwɛ Odam Felix Kwachi of the government spokesperson ɛso ano yi a ɔde ba enra
that what has happened today is most regrettable, and as government or as the President Mama is committed to upholding the rule of law. We cannot have a situation where, depending on who is involved, the constitution is set aside. All Ghanaians are equal before the law, in the same way that our courts have dealt with individuals in accordance to law. If members of the judiciary themselves are alleged to be engaged in some wrongdoing, the processes laid down and spelled out by the Constitution ought to be respected. And that is exactly what has happened.
So that's the honorable member, Felix Kwachi Ofusu. And Kumona Kosuno, nye other palatable. But the permission any baby yearly dear at the echo. I ask myself, say, Obi Bia who is involved in whatever that is going on, ask yourself, fairness a year jumana, perepeyo a year jumana. Siyanka siya ntimi an criticize yanka siya ho. Yes, scrutinize yanka siya decisions be a ye take care. Or man ni kolbe ding. So let's ask ourselves, are we being fair to our own self? Are we being fair to the process? Are we being fair to whatever decision and whatever discussions here Koswana? It's dangerous. And I say the executive with MPP NDC. And you say Parliament with MPP NDC. The only outstanding gradually, yeah, the MPP NDC say a honomonso. Yensheni ye. There be a make us say, and there be am the NDC nebeye and fatum because monamo party or power. Senior President Kufuor at the time, I'm the NPP near fatum say. MPP staff for the between the President Kufuor Akasan. Oh, you this near ask yourself, say, are we being fair to the process? Don't be too political. Don't be too political. Then we are making for the many years you joined NPP, you joined NDC. What do you have for yourself? For the many years you have joined NPP, NDC, what do you have for yourself? So if there's a processor a bit affected the stability of your mind, you should be concerned. Don't sit aloof. A man who say me party near yentino, change ne papa when papa chrono, me time party that you know. Or mine will be dear me one day. And if near Mammy Tokonu Ekan and Rano is something to go by, for example, the petition now old Pebi at the feed committee. I don't think this should become an issue. I'll say bedu baby edri. What does President Mama Diamano? What does one farmer? A yamuni actu and Safram say, well, body panic quadru. And I mean, so bombo quadrum copy mameno in a petition. At the moon abeto manimua. What is so difficult? I hear photocopy any yana. Yet also my now come to a standstill because said committee ya to say you and for asamuno as a copy of a petition against will be able to call and famano. Just give it to another year photocopy. And a petition here photocopy in ye. Just spoil my best remo. Your best remo. And two, again, if what the woman too is saying is true, as a Justice Poorman, chairman of the committee, you are cited as a witness. I was asking what that thing say in all honesty. In all honesty, if what the woman is saying is true, in all honesty, I think you need to step aside. Because you have to try and say, NDC NDC ba obey the judges a ebeye adwuma asuti no. NPP ba obey the judges a obey adwuma amana asuti no. The only avenue to seek for legal redress your court. Nyame amfefie one day said ekeka kono ye benya mampani bia who decide to be on a bind so forever because ukwa quarter ne nkrofo de o ma court it will be different. And that will lead us to somewhere. And I make catch of no catch of mummy and fiano calcul am said mummy yes anya atom sem no. What we are doing, we need to speak against it. Say adie bi e kwosina senya mummy ya kiano entum emie kodu baby asere nya be catch on say ye hu yanka. Where we are leading to is dangerous. Where we are leading to us on mine and ye dangerous at the Magana. Don't be too excited because you NDC. Don't be too sad because we MPP. Look at it critically. Where we are heading to as a nation is dangerous. It's dangerous. Yo, as so from to a memu, Christian Council, National House of Chiefs, Muslims in Pelifo, Mumia Kayanu tomorrow. National Chief Imam, Asante Meura, Gamanche, na 9 my flow kroma, Mumia Kayanu tomorrow, or mine bar, a big year so. Where we are headed to is dangerous. Your politics be beyond to our interest. What shows said the next government will trust judges who have been appointed by President Mahama? What shows? At the end, say CPPO, say PPPO, say MPPO, or power, he will find a way to sign all those judges. Lord, so far, and crop for here be diaspora. It's the Ghana factor, it's not there. Mama yen try your friends so. Enkianu tum Archbishop Nicholas and Kawida. A software kasebo mamu. Mummy enkianu tomorrow. Mummy enkianu tomorrow. Not because mu officers in tea. Munye Ghana ho. Munye Ghana ho. President John Dramani Mahama. John Ajekum Kufuor. Nana do Danko Kufado. Mummy nyani ye no. Mummy nyani ye no. At the town for Mummy Kasanti Pelifuo. Mummy Kasanti Pelifuo. Na Jimbuma. Yen Nalebediamia. Where we are headed to is dangerous. Baby, oh my God, I pay penny column. Who say? Who ne be on who ye? Who de maye? You be a dean. I saw for Cassa. Was I for Cassa? Now my for Ancasabium, or be a dean. A bet you in your treso. It's the same ye penna. A bet you in your treso. And we are judging us one year, Yamanosem, Ashomua, Sutrase, Nakasakaton said, Medimi my bro. Judging me, who your political, Sutrase. We are sending the country, all these gains. Ebe rezi, Umbianya Yatum Semno. No cranwa, Yatum Sem, Yatum Sem Frimu. Not to bite us. Minim no di bem, and a minim no di fo. Minim no di bem, and a minim no di fo. But whatever that we are doing today, a besu abadi amaye.
Omaye kwa mdasa theater so mamu wachano pai. Nyame ado. Answer.
Boko, just take it easy. One of your manuals there. I'm saying lessons learned, is not part of the baby. It's just like you said. You're citizens of the country, You don't necessarily have to even know what is the law. You need to see that. Clearly, you can see it. It is no ema busuan kabom ni ntimi ndi mu wie peyo. Intimesre, they said the wakano. I am so surprised that the theme that the NDC brought, resetting Ghana, which I still stand by, that if indeed we want to reset, it's good for the country, thorough cleansing, but this cleansing is offbeat. I don't know. Say me Attorney General, the me penno. Say me OSP, the me penno. Yeah me Director General now, the me penno, the mrane penno. You know, until I worry, no mind be na. Yam fam mra. Na I just the mrane di huna. Near the tata in the panel. Say one day penna ensure a tap on sharing or J war and I feel it could butu ye. Oh, I mind yourself for it to make kasa. What me busa say, are they looking for the good of the country or the bad of the country? Let's all be measured. The times that we find ourselves in are very turbulent times. And it's not with party coloration they decide your my future. If you have the power, you are not the final authority because omamunu to do anaji bua, not your bullion vans or your water heaters or encourage you. Encourage. Mama, I don't know if you know that. So as I say, a jibuma. It's not about your 3-star, 4-star general. Encourage you. Though at that moment, it's a struggle of fighting for your own life.
Yeah.
And I don't know the caution. In Korea, try and watch you know, baby, I did yen no nyame koso boy home. See, if we don't guard this jealously, and the pain is that Obi MPP ohunfum so be MPP beye, Obi NDC ohunfum so be. How do you build a country like this?
Oh my bitterness ashemuma.
Yaudi nkwa.
From a soft to a
Yaudi nkwa.
Bitterness.
Oyi yaudi ni free wa. Ahoya ni eni bre. It's just unfortunate. Intimisre. The say baby edu yakojina nkwantanai. Se wanye careful do kwantanai na when you do as onko benkum na onko nifa na e daadao. Wanye careful no wan twen tie the home na catch asafo na di America na ko twase ya. Wo say wo twa ya. Ne nyina bram na sa. Wo pagya ne back. Wo sesa o man age agu back. Na say ko hyiabo. It's too difficult. Na ya nkasa kura no. Ye ni padua nyina sinto bi akura ma ho. Eno na da say na sinto akoba ho.
Yeah.
Onam na a complete human being ne kura no. One nkasa look at the challenges you are going through. And another maker we could see said the number of people fighting silent battles in this country. Yeah. And you been the etiwa. Yeah, you know. Na lawyer for so who home te the amanyo semeti me ama a lawyer for munim die no one kan etimi achem ta. Amanyo sem they don't apply the law. They apply partisan law.
Chairman of a political party call it say Here's the electoral commission should be fired.
Because the Oko for another discussion, Kraba. So you see what is happening now. The AC say, when the NDC is offbeat for 4 or 8 or 12 or whatever years, Obia now electoral commission high judge Obia. You move out of because being mechanical. So there's nothing like constitutional law way that's where we are now. Then and we need to avoid this. Yes, I see how for the among crowd. More see na ye can how they all say was 7. I see I won't tell the can say. Don't follow parties like a stooge. Yes, you have to go and vote for the party that you believe in, so in such a any part of Donna Brabum no my Ghana. But conscience is key. I was my nasi.
That's your way.
Where am I? I told you about there.
Nyami gusu hu yemo.
Where am I for J? And that match sa fe na no pay. Say omra me ntwetwe nkomona. Ye nhwe kwan a maybe ye nti asem na se ye bia ye say ana obi techi no twetwe ahoma bi ana se mra na ne nam ne kwa so. And at this stage e dey na betimi aye a ebeboa ma gidie ewo ya judge from ni atentri nim gidie ewo your governance system gidie ewo wo ye ho no etimi adimu awie pe. Honestly, we are at a crossroad. And we need to be mindful of that crossroad, no? Because a whole decision taken in Aboagye. So you messy line, it's going to be difficult for us as a country and as a people. On that note, now, Mami Musa, what is the situation at hand now? Eba, Mami Tokonu, the law, and one how they are also applying it. What's the situation there?
I mean, you made that say. Nankomo amochichena no pay. Nkomo bia mitia emo de na de memu ye de ne se eniema ekoso ye ho no. Ebra so se ye gibre na ye tenase na ye sisi niema bibiri se oman. Na ye bisi ye ho se eniema obi ye ewa aban mu no eboa ye nyina na se eboa enipakuo bi pe ana eboa nipa ba ko pe se bi wa hwe ye supporter na wote akira eye wo se amamu te se kotoko ne house on se ye nkotoko ne house no se enti se kani ni bio enti ya akwa se amanyosem ya bisi na nan because ye nkwada na time ye was secondary school na kotoko bobo kuma sports stadium a ofa form se free di chem so no abe fast one se no afa kwatia line na wo komo kwa mo doso na mo bonko na mo ni anje ene ente se kani ni bio enti ya amanyosem aba be hye na nan na ye refi ye ho se amanyosem no e wo sunsuanso bebre e wo sunsuanso sabi wadwuma sem ho e wo sunsuanso sabi nsu a wonom ho e wo sunsuanso sabi okane a wodamu e wo sunsuanso o masukurukomu ana bia wa ankasa usukurukomu e wo sunsuanso wapomuden sem ho enti ente se kotoko ne has eno na wo se yete ase enti anamo obi tuo no ebi abedi matem lawyer baafo o MPP ninti wo kasa sei na bani ho debi se maban wo ho na me ya abomachi se maban ni ho enso na se ekoso a yenka sebe ye nyina ye nim se the best check on a government e opposition enye munipa efri se ye se di wo twasa no onim se na chia eden achia tia ye wo ye chi no ana ye hunu enti se na yenwura ada no sebe ye ka kire ye no a sabi yentie ho abufu Ghana for the pam ye no yenso be ka kire na sabi ye se de wahu bi da ompeso obi hu bi bio enti se wo hu de to ye a na o de atu hofo se MPP for ye se ni se na ye de esi ye enti mpese bi be si bio enti sa de aye ka kire me a na wati fi se de wantie no de na so ante de okode okante ade enye za hwe eba judiciary eyekuo bi a omuhu hia yie eno ne kuo a sebe amanyosem enimu eho no MPP nim eho NDC nim so makwan na se NDC be wram MPP ku wram a no obisa ho se so mbe wram a de ni besie yesisa bi de unim wo no onye den onhwe na enti hwe adwumaku a ewo Ghana nyina NDC sama wram MPP sama wram de na akosie o hwe parliament a NDC sam MPP sam asem no say ye papa enye papa NDC ni gina baabi o gina say ye papa say enye papa MPP ni gina de o gina ekowie ye sen ekowie ye nse sabi to da bi ampensemu ese ye na ye twinipa adwene konema enkoyie na nipa na tu anamo pa no yentumi nye entide bia no sabi enwi akire no unim asefem pa ewum ne se enwi akire no decisions are you making in a benefit nipa ba ko nipa mienu nye nipa dodo no if party kro na mu no kra no nipa mienu bi fe it be a transaction bi aba ye de aba parliament so to say ye de ba parliament no e bi amo tie akire bebre backbenchers no transaction kra mu nimu ni ye obi anu no wakasa ye ne mu mpanyifo na ayedai akasa tiene mu mpanyimfo kasa ye ne de ba parliament no esanse eye NDC aban na de ba ye nti no e wose ye nyina ye ta akire so hwem se ye papa se nye papa na obi a di akire yes ya crack whip MPP for NDC for na de baaye we de yempene ya adwene nyina ne se enye de yempene ya krake whip wo adwen fufuru bi akra fa ho kra wuntumi nye den enka na mu nyina mu opozi saa na niema amanyosem be wura mu no ekoye eti saa ne pese judiciary no ye se wo pese oti ase a judiciary no minua sabi eyayare sabia nenso ntesa yare sabia fi se sabi senia wo hodwojo wa ukọ hospital se doctor nkọhwe wo yare no saa na sabi wo ye daadaa brabo mu se wo nam kwan so a mebei masoya bompa ese onyame hwe me so fa me kodru asempa Adom FM nanso eto da bi ankwanhia wo ho ti bi a menam a meba na ka bi firi ba bi kunkukro so atase binka bi nhemu enye saa na mepe nanso esi wie ye no ebi a sebe menyame nkwadidi mu nanso ese menya insurance no bia manso aba ho medical court no eho pe na metumi di akọ fisa mentime ho ase ba mentumi mfa se kan mentumi mfa tuo enkoye mentime ho ase gise court na medical timedical ye no judge no wo ho no die nti a owo ho a ne sese bi wo party ni enya mbra ni nti no ye den owo ti sanse wo ye party ni nti no sɛdeɛ yɛyɛ ne parliament no saa pɛpɛɛpɛ okura no sɛ bi mehwɛ odi kura wofiri baabi okura mehwɛ wa woyɛ party ni bi
kasa no ɛnyɛ kasa papa
so enti mesrɛ Ghanafoɔ mesrɛ wɔ mo momma yɛni nsa nhyɛ aseɛ nkɔ ɔman yi ho Ghana akrakyefoɔ ne nwurabafoɔ amanyɔsɛm momma mo ani nyɛ dɛn ani akyire fi sɛ sɛbi enanu ya banking sector egu ye sabi enya NDC for nkwa na hwere omadwuma na enya MPP for nkwa na hwere omadwuma e decisions of politicians
and this are the buy
DDEP e decisions of politicians.
So we need to be part of the process.
So we need to akrache for ni urabafo ewokruma. We must all be part of the process. Chief Justice Adiebaye ebi asabi ne bi oni nipa bi ntiye in the judiciary. It will be because na mami we. There be sabi ene yene no ochira yene wo. It is said yanhwe ne yanka ochira yede wo de so ba obi anu be dey obeka. Who said na mami de beto we. Yese nnu adasa na mo ye Charlotte say. Enti ade no no de mo ka se. Enti nyamra no ne ye den ye hwe. Nemum sani yesi ye ubi no enu nti yenye ne saa na me de meka ne sesebe oman se entwa na ebi akina ebeba beto me so nti ye eduru bre bi a esi me ntwa bible mu nipa di bonia eduru bre bi na Nyankopon se mayi me doba Yesu Kristo omewu nyi wiase nkwa
start bibia
yenhye bibia foforo abode foforo ase
idila efani efia eno ada maybe wo mrani mutu pa memi matia say we need the edikan a eye chief justice atuma be presser se bia basada mini ba efani efia ya bedura
ebi sida
je chassis say ya bedura
ebi sida tio oman ni nyina ne den ni nyina de se constitution ni mu no ehwe ne se eye possible se dabi beba jaja o Supreme Court ana o High Court ana o Court of Appeal ana se Chief Justice ebehia se yebeyi na free ho esan boni bia waye den wadie ana se esan ne ho adwodwo no a ontumi nya adwuma bi onti eti constitution na make provision for it so now so constitution say sabi so bi decrata bi saba eno kra na ni constitution Chief Justice there efa prima facie no na ye Superior Court nko na Supreme Court in the case of Jetum say so bi decrata bi saba e was say o man panyin ne Council of State ekopam adwene ho say sabi ewu nyina so ensem na aba no ewu nyina so a esese ye ma chief justice eyi ano ana eno ne ye friend prima facie no enti ewu nyina so de a konekote committee no fa nipa mienu efiri supreme court ne fa miensa a onye lawyer for onye judge for a onye parliamentarians ne fa omobra a omunye members of council of state ne fa omobra ebeka mienu no ho ne nyenu na omunko pensem asem no enti de sesa wote ase ne se prima facie no eni ho a committee no ho ye de ehia sabi mpanyi si brebra ma amane so anye de ama enti sane prima facie no ho hia enti a esanse enunti na ate committee no enti no opanyi se woka se ewo nyina so a ewo se o ma mi hu se ewo nyina so ni nyina ye de abeto anim no e de wo nyina so ka kire me se ensem a ye de beto manim no ni nyina wo nyina so enti yini nyina ye de ano. That means I've established prima facie in respect of all the complaints. Ana enye di nyina so a ka kire me se ensem na ye de beto manim no ebi a eye du na mienu pe na me de imagine ye me say me ne council of state ko hia me ya dwene ye say betimi agina so nti yini mienu ano so what you say
your options no nsem ni nyina yetimi gina so nsem ni bi wo ho a betimi agina so
free say she charger ubetumi agina so ade ye chief justice ba ko ye stated misbehavior ba ko ye incompetence ana ba ko ye infirmity of body and mind en teachers have me ho jojo me boa now it complaints na ba ye ni nyina
ebi fa me ho jojo me ho ana
the nsema ba ye no entumi must that's entumi mother say ni nyina fa e stated ni nyina will constitute stated misbehavior entumi mother say ni nyina will constitute incompetence ana entumi mother say ni nyina so bitumi afa sa enti de ba ye no ya hwem ya hu se ni nyina no ebi a ne fa incompetence ho the first stated misbehavior ho enu nie enti ya no so what I say enti nipa no okono or appear before committee no onimdienti a oko na eno so ne sabi epuntie kese ewo yasem niemu eno eye punut eye adekese a broni beka the backbone of our justice system. Sabi enunti even in employer-employee relationship so wotia asempa FM omane Adom TV na ocha sabi ura kwasitwu o say ya bo kwa adubi enti bra disciplinary committee oba obeka kire say so wo hwe Adom mo manual employee manual mo a so ye wo eniama bebre kwa adu bebre etimi de bowo ebi wo ho a ye de bowo a eho asotwe ye suspension ebi wo ho a ye de bowo a eho asotwe eye sabi dismissal ebi wo kra ye de bowo a umma disciplinary hearing kra ye friend summary dismissal so what I say enu nie enti saade a biya no oman saade we enu de bo we say the because the theme or the underlying philosophy of yasin nyina a key principle of the rules of natural justice. Enti say civil matter na oba court wa so empanyi say oba court wa na yesi omu di CI 47 kra na edi asem sabi parties no exchange their friendly pleadings into statement of claim kwa now was the statement of defense about. Yes move ya now fe mako setting down issues free say me ba be di asem no there is bonifre bibi burden of proof e wo brem asodi e da me so enti nipa na wo de kwa adu no kura aba no ono kura na ese wo hu ne nsem enya maame no nko awo nipa na wo de kwa adu no aba no e wo se ono nso ehu ne nsem no ne sabi ye begira so na ono so ahu adanse kura e wo se wo ye dey ofre.
Okay, so unam kwan so na monte so tika mu amanfo tie de wotie ni asumasi charge akobo chief justice or the body krata no call manpanyin we see petition manpanyin to G or say there be as a council of state for national council of state for G almost bibi wo mo e bit imagine so a ye de be boss akwa no nti yate committee no e be show mo nyuma ase bi hu ya say ye ma me court ba ko mienu miensa na enum bi afeye ko wi akira enrada oni ya bedin komo ade na to si was as she ni nyina mu ade emera no ba bia to si ana agide bia ya ba
akoye in camera hearing nti no obia nim de eko eno suntina asudie da yenso se de ye no yenhwe ne yenyini ye eni kwan se ho techema e wose ye de peperio eye adwuma fi se o se asemu baayi sebi nyankopon adom madaromenti manu damu bi pa efa ne public advocacy ho me kan say chief justice no ye hu ni say oye maame Getru Tekonu but oye Ghana for chief justice enti na mremu no ye yi no a sebe ode ko parliament ema Ghana for nipa a wayi wo obo no ekọ bare na no no gitum se maami sebe tumi a ye de ma judiciary say oni asem no ye de hye ne nsase wo nhwe so maye ya eyeye na ye de na ba parliament ama ye nyina ya gina to na ekoba se ekoba ne sen ena ne ya ye yi no yi sebe ye a ye hu de eko ye ne vetin de ye hu yo ye approve ye hu yo na mom no constitution ye toto na no nyina assemba ye na ye yi na free office no ye hu de eko free se constitution no na aye ne saa ya te ase na no na ma me kokan se eno ntimi nyin to muda se constitution ni nhwehwe se there will be a regulation a regulating the process sort ase minyin to muda
even though asiye ne kokoam no
there should be a regulation
sense say bi da ho
because that is the way by which ye Ghana for no so sabi we can take part in the process in the proceedings free say sabi ye kwache ne ye nyina ne ye den ye kwache no na mum ye dwade a ye nka ho debi enti wo hwa na no Supreme Court nominee se ba parliament ye vet wo no mienu asabi omunim de pa omunyina nim de but mienu omunsu nim de pa no omugitum say there should be a regulation. Justice Denis Ajekai Justice Akabo Afonso gitumu fi say wo hwa ade na epreke say ye yi no ne de ye nyina ye ni tua na mom no ye pam no de ye humu constitution na ye ne saa o se ode bo judiciary no ho ye den eban ye gitum fi say sabi o si ontumago e wa bontia sabi nipa hu fi ntia no so nye say institutions bisa ne hu fi nipa ba de ebehu na mum no sabi yen a ye yi no ya approve no die ne ye chefa wo mene say eno ne regulation no so enti na nura de si ye no ayemo wanwa fi say the whole process is in camera so what I say and a regulation bi any ho so nti no ba abonten so wontumi nka say we na bi a omatia na mum you the basic principles of law. Which one is the fundamental, which one is the human rules of natural justice? So what I say, ujina so all can the air corner. Enuntina sebe waba bonte putupru can say me say NDC be a sebe. The judiciary has also turned against the
question. I want to the question.
Tio sebe iwiase ayewe mpanyin se obi nkum na kokko be de ekwa ena ade bia nipa ebeye bia no ebia ono ene hu bibi ene ogina so se me lawyer ni me court a eto da bia judge disposition mamu se judge otiame
oh hwe ne niam bia
hwe ne disposition yes eto da bia biso bia lawyer ni bia hu ase oni a o afaba akono ade a obeye no se ne judge ni besi aka no we hear the same thing or can it differently. So what I say, so what I say, enti ebia eno ana ama na hu na ɔka de wɔ de ɔka sɛ ne committee ni duanum Supreme Court judges mienu ɛte enso oni gidie wɔ mu edi ntia ebia the disposition so ati ahye ebi so kura na hwe ni hɔ na emum sɛbi sɛ ne ma so konti no na ebi ehu so ayɛ dɛn abɔ no enti ɛwɔ sɛ mo na mo ma ni feel comfortable so ati ahye mo ma ni feel comfortable sɛ de ɛkɔ no we are ready to do right by you ɛnyɛ saa de si yure saa de besie
ma me musa sɛ wohwɛ ɛno ankomo ayɛ maame ne yɛbɛbɔ ne specifics in terms of ɛyɛ krata ɔkenkan ne kwadu a yɛde abɔbɔ no a wɔ ɔma mu nyinaa hyehyɛ agye atum sɛ ansa na bɛyi chief justice free hɔnom no ɛsɛ sɛ wonya adanse bi emu odu asɛm bi emu odu na ɔde yɛ nyina so ɛde bɔ nkɔmɔ ɛne nkuru di pia ne si nkyɛn ne sɛ mo ɔbɛbɔ so no hu ne sɛn
meme de ɔbɛbɔ so nyinaa no mienu ane mu oduru ma me de aka nyinaa no sɛ bi mefa ne sentimental ɛno no odi gyina nneɛma nso a nsɛne ani a sɛ bi ɛnyina ho yi na emum no ɛno so koraa nsɛn hwee sɛ bi ɔwɔ consensus a yɛbɛ adresse ama no fi sɛ wɔ ho ɔman wɔ yɛahyɛ nie mu no sɛbi yɛmmu a odipa fo a onifo
sɛdeɛ mmara no asitiɛ no
yɛmmu a nipa fo a onifo enti mmara no se sɛ onipa koraa nya asɛm a nneɛma bi obɛhia sɛnea a wɔde bɛtwitwa agye ne ho biara no yɛmfa ma no so ate aseɛ enti ɛsɛ sɛ yɛde ma no a yɛnyɛ dɛn sɛ saa consensus no wɔ a yɛn address nyɛ dɛn ɛma no wɔho ɛnsɛe hwee ɛtɔ so bio biribi bi gye di sɛ nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a sɛbe nnura no ne kasɛm no wanka nkyerɛ yɛn sɛ wabisa ane yɛnyɛ dɛn yɛmfa ama no mefeel sɛ chief justice nso maame tɔkɔ no nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a sɛ ɔmfa nwu krataa so mfa ma committee ne dada sɛ yɛwɔ consensus a nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a fama wɔ mo so that it will be on record sɛ meka sɛ baabi a yɛyɛ hearing no menyɛ dɛn mempɛ mo nsesa ne ma me na bi a wakyerɛ deɛ ntia na ɔmo ansesa no ama wa na wanya bi ayɛ dɛn aka meka sɛ mo ma me nhwɛ petition kura mo wɔ so what I say
obi na anopɛdo obi sɛ edu lodge no ɛdeɛ na ama hɔ no ayɛ baabi a ɔyɛ traumatized sɛ osusu sɛ ɛyɛ boapayɔ mu ti wontimi ɛntena hɔnom ɛnkɔbɔ saa nkɔmmɔ no yie ma no ho ntɔ no deɛ edu lodge deɛ na esi edu lodge ne ɛbea soronko bi a yɛakye nipa bi ahyɛ hɔ a yɛyɛ ne obi ɛnsɛ fata hɔ
no panyinfoɔ sɛ yɛduru amanfono so a
yɛaka
no Ghana yɛabakɔsɛm te sɛ yɛ ne yɛka amanyɔfoɔ agye biribiara ɛka no yɛde biribiara ma amanyɔfoɔ ti yɛabakɔsɛm koraa no ɛnɛ amanyɔfoɔ na ɛka yɛabakɔsɛm amanyɔfoɔ ɛna ɛka yɛabakɔsɛm nti abakɔsɛm koraa no ɛnɛ na akɔyɛ te sɛ sɛbe NDC MPP sɛ ɔte ase nti edu lodge a yɛka ho asɛm yi ɛnɛ Ghanafoɔ bebree koraa anim ho asɛm Ghanafoɔ bebree nkae ho asɛm but wohwɛ Ghana abakɔsɛm a edu lodge featured prominently in the execution of the High Court judges. Judge for no. Omukum. It featured prominently.
Na sabia on ye kotutu na no.
Sabia on ye kotutu na no. So what I say. Ɛna ɔno kuro ya enye say High Court for judges. Enye ɔmo nko na eku ɔmo. Papa bi ne afɛ no begya akwa. Na ɔyɛ adwuma ogi hok. Ɔno nso no ɔka ho yɛ kɔfa ne ku ne bi. So you know, and wohwɛ a lawyer for a case mu a yɛn nyinaa yɛnim nsɛm a even in the middle of the High Court judges koraa no sɛbi nipa bi ka fa yɛwura chikata mo ho ewum a besi ne sɛ yɛ nokorɛ akɔyɛ abakɔsɛm so ate aseɛ enti menua Any nyina na make a choice a sentimental. But sabi se a problem manwa enka ontrom nu krata so
se hono ebe ha me
se be ha me
ko wa make aka ni o mani kwa se kai
exactly
e hu bi beto
intimi sremo mo nsesa no se ne sabi ye lawyer for ye ba judge for animu a yitimi make request no menyi ni se e wo krata so e de koto wo manim no mo anya ekene uba ye ya wo be kase
matregu
krata so akọ
o ma no o ma mfi mi enu ntira ma me gina ha me
enu ma me gina ha me ken so ati ase enti before say you chief justice in semi die no manso there's a lot of strategy oh to da bi na ye judge na wote baabi na wudi asemo lawyer ni be gina wani mu a lawyer ni take position a bia wunim de nti a lawyer ni wa take position and so kwa na se bia ye o kai oh na niema bia akoso in our judiciary over the years no ebi na unsa na wono e ka sesenka wa be gina ba bia wo gina na
ko continue
ma bi ase
ko nyi ni su se nyoma bi asi
so ta se me nyame ye madom e ma sabi ni hu practice e wo English to da bi a me de toto niema bi ho ne se ne judge for to da bi o me lawyer for kasa ya na ye me nwanwa ya na eye me nwanwa wo kurum ha sei fi se ensi ba bia so eda ye moye anti-LGBTQ case senior Mami Chief Justice no bi te say tade sorry kasaye emu ye mewem me de oman ba bia asem ne to no unu ekuma me de beto fi se pese Ghana no enya me ne ye cheche me hwe me madachi wo hwe wo madachi wo hwe wo faasefo dachi me hwe me wo faasefo dachi aka me na sen sabi mpanyin si dua munubu dua dada asubu o my dear na woji wo wiase sabu nya baabi a do ti beto
kakra wodi no
na sabi ye no kra na afia boadu aba sabi minya gare na bidia me unime me ade ehia me ane sabi bata de bia me siesie me ho kakra so atase na eniema bibire wo a ye nchechire oman no na enwie peyo for inchirima fi se oman ye the values ne principles na chechire man enye sika values and principles pe oman time ye ka see ye see the new Bank of Ghana head office me kan se me chire me yonko bi and me kan station so what train e wo England London na training basa was a bank wo we say we do Bank of England and then ye krom ha ye sida ba ko na cha ye sida ye nkosi foforo ni yakoye procurement yes you kosi dan foforo wo baabi yes ha na ye chechire man anya sa na ye chechire man e dan na esi ho no you see office was the office but a tourist value what I say a tourist value it china me maba because say Bank of Ghana dan elie esi ha since 200 years when now we born abakosem and now you call old Parliament of Ghana and no shraj dan no Westminster House of Commons esi how many years and so yete kroma you pese esi Parliament dan foforo nansani ne ya abraye renovation yan chechire man sa ye the values and principles now values ne principles ne kese ania oman when you tourism when you value in tourism it is will be kwa akuchini baabi a onko he konfa no chese kan nko a isi form but anase onko he baabi a gamanche dodwa battle ye kokon ye wana ho awani owia government infrastructure so ni baabi oko intie principles ne saying this is the first of its kind in the history of this country. Our Chief Justice has had to go through a hearing. Anya she kurano. Yenye no na niema ya chechira to ho no. Ochina bi we see the Chief Justice for asemo a. O man that ye was sabia eda ho dada. Ese china we see yi Superior Court judge ye was sabia eda ho dada. Na ye pesi bibia basasa. Say why establish a prima facie case? What's why establish a prima facie case no? complaints miensa na eba ye no eni mu niema complaints bebre na egu krata so no emu die na prima facie case we establish here na me no die no me ya no enti ochina bi ene NDC aban so ne ye yo ochina bi de besie ne se men so me ba na me so me pese me yi judge bi fi se judge no me feel say onimi afa die na me ye se ma chine na ko hye kokuam osu kasa de kura Ghana fo mfi enura sa ne si ye enti na so bi nsi sa ne ye ka so ati ase enti omai e wose ye toto ne me yi.
Okay, so but you share this aspect now. Maybe nipa do na pese omoje omadwen kire eba okay kai mame no ensem no say the second reason for making this statement is that though I am in the process alone, it affects ripple far beyond me as a person. This process will affect how all High Court justices of the Supreme Court of Appeal, Supreme Court justices, and all chief justices that will be appointed in the future may be removed from office. It also affects commissioners and heads of independent constitutional bodies set up to protect the freedom and justice of Ghanaian citizens as guaranteed under the 1992 Constitution. And there nema wait me ebasa because okrata and our petition a massa keko enipa na atworo ana akọ president to ana akọ council of state to ana wona hu say nyina so bi wo ma ebetimi no atoa edi nkomo ana yate committee eba dia na yeso ka say ade a na mo hihye mu a ye bibia kama no o ka say enye wo your person asking justice tokono ehun asem kwa na ye ka ho dachi sa eye nyumekuo bi a ye bo ho ban mrakuri bo mkwa onkra no they stand at a bigger risk of also being affected. And then the man say, "Osuro say, and I did say, oh, you're bigger than Shehena na."
David, on say, medical can name many platforms. Now, how crowd them say, "Me no kasi am a TB home." There's a fundamental problem with Article 146.
How be all?
146
no see there.
I mean, Chewadi, Edikan. Yes, kwa befa so obetimi yi Supreme Court judge, obetimi judges no, Superior Court judges, any chief justice no. Kwa obetimi afa so obeyi wo mo no. Baako any stated misbehavior. No abisa wo se Bruni can say stated misbehavior. Stated. And he found a stated no. Don't you think say stated no should be bia misbehavior bia ewo hodada. Ayaji atum say saadie we otoa sabi yebetumi ayu as a judge na eno no sabi eni ho ana wo wie ye no nso o court committee ni hearing o my in camera enti don't you think say o my sabi there should be regulation bia regulating the whole process ema obi ehu say sa kwan na we ne nyina ya agi atoso se process no enye den emfa nemum enkoye ad hoc se asem when asem ne ba na ye nyina ya kotena se agi procedure na ye den atum so atiase it is a banesa nipa no edikan hwe the odds are against her so atiase etoso mienu akoye te se sabi amanyofo kra na pese ye den yi no. So na usade ne kofa kokuam asenie mu so enti basa niema bebre etosi enti de all kan say yenye nioma yie inchirimenti se ne be ya se china judge bi so eho koka na eno sabi nipa na anko de mi go through yi mu ikiri se de all kan ye hwe eni o kan sim bi sabi Oman Adom FM
TV.
Adom TV multimedia disciplinary process be ekoswa ye free be the friend of wo meboa ye mouth the witness ye mouth the nipa bi ba
obidia dance
enya dance obidia dance obehwe the proceedings near den eko even at your level
obi tena mu bi
ehu de den eko na den no de at that level, in camera. Also,
but that's why make us say, is it not just to one-sided story no culture, just to suit on only interest and to court that sympathy or person being Africa?
Sebi, CNT afano into only the any business so din komo. Into the Kenya said the no can say no credit. Sebi ni mcheye. Sort I say, mcheye. Into the no can no credit. Na yeti Sebi, said no you fellas ekasai. For instance, say prima facie determination was a king or can anything to the contrary. One program so NDC communicate to be better so say maameno complaints I by the yedi no my penny if making prima facie determination Emma ne chere the man penny make prima facie determination or only the one make prima facie determination. Mo program so. Okay, so hold on. So mami so asem. Mami sa. Enti eye den na aban communicate nim but ma me the onim.
Is that the case?
The me pa che ne se sa ne tia. Ene omo sente sa omo kan chere. Okay, so say no fra ban mu na koma me no.
So you Felix kwachofosu. Another onya kwanya ni central for di nkomo no in seven okato in response to your mama tokono ni nkomo be di enti yenhwe ye ba e beto nkomo no so I would say.
In summary, I would say that what has happened today is most regrettable, and as government or as the President Mama is committed to upholding the rule of law. We cannot have a situation where, depending on who is involved, the constitution is set aside. All Ghanaians are equal before the law, in the same way that our courts have dealt with individuals in accordance to law. If members of the judiciary themselves are alleged to be engaged in some wrongdoing, the processes laid down and spelled out by the constitution ought to be respected. And that is exactly what has happened. In summary, I would say that what has happened today is most regrettable. And as government or as the President Mama is committed to upholding the rule of law. We cannot have a situation where, depending on who is involved, the constitution is set aside. All Ghanaians are equal before the law, in the same way that our courts have dealt with individuals in accordance to law. If members of the judiciary themselves are alleged to be engaged in some wrongdoing, the processes laid down and spelled out by the constitution ought to be respected. And that is exactly what has happened. Let me point out that as yet, nobody has been able to ascribe any known verifiable constitutional breach to the president in the way that he has handled this particular matter. From the very first steps in this matter, the president has kept fidelity to the constitution and has respected the spirit and letter of the constitution. Everything he has done has been by the book. That is why all those who have commented on the matter, including her ladyship, the Chief Justice, have been unable to point to any specific provision under Article 146 that the president has been in breach of. Second, in terms of confidentiality, the president has acted strictly in accordance with the constitution. At no point in time has the presidency put out anything in any way, shape, or form that remotely resembles any of the contents of the petition. And the only communication that has gone out on this matter have been about the steps that the president has taken in accordance with the 1992 Constitution, Article 146 to be precise. Is that the attempt to link the dastardly killings of some Supreme Court judges and a military officer to this case are most disingenuous. To begin with, this government and President Mama have nothing to do with the killing of any judge. Second, there's absolutely no nexus between the petitions that have been brought and that unfortunate incident in our past. So any effort to link the two is regrettable and should not find space in this sort of discourse. It is most undesirable, it is most unacceptable. Now, the venue in question is the Edu Lodge. Yes, it is close to the Osu Castle, which used to be the former seat of government. As I speak, there are government agencies that operate there. So it is a public place. The Osu Castle is a public place. You can go there to conduct official government business. Beside it are private residences owned by Ghanaians who move freely in and out of their residence, even though they are situated very close to the Osu Castle. So the impression that a facility in the vicinity of the Osu Castle necessarily makes it intimidating or foreboding is completely misplaced. It is unfair. It is not justifiable. Now, Edu Lodge is a state facility which is often used to house high-ranking officials who visit the Republic of Ghana. It belongs to the state. The decision to use that place was not that of government or President Mahama. The committee requested that they needed facilities of a certain status that could house their activities and that could facilitate a smooth running of the proceedings. And that facility was available. It is equipped with modern amenities that will facilitate the work of the committee. And the state only offered it upon the request of the committee.
Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, try and come on this one and say, in Yaba, yes, Shamima Muslim, our man, so now, Menda say, or no, so Edina drink, Aboagye Medina met Macoso. Shamima, good morning, Patrick is saying.
Good morning, no, Pastor, yeah.
Good. What are
my drink and one of my boss, I can't even know. And I concur with all that my boss has just said to you.
Okay, then maybe it's a question. Kakana what much you. Nature say, the kind only my men and Yagin say, Nana Moon tuning and she share and I caution too suspicious. Only in Yagin are.
Again, may I say, me tell you for as the Minister of Government Communications said yesterday, as a government, we respected the rights of every citizen, including her ladyship, the Chief Justice, to express herself, to state her positions on matters that affect her, and to use any medium that she believes she is able to use to communicate her position. We don't have an interest in this matter save for the constitutional requirements and dictate directing exactly what the president should do. Intime anope de meka ama mutie fo nyina nega na fo nyina mutie ni se. Mom, it take the invitation to make this matter a political matter. Mom, see MPP4 because you see MPP4. You baby so almost say MPP4 much more interest in this matter and anything. Much more political interest and then there are the Chief Justice or a Juma be a mamma. I didn't see no former Attorney General Ababe lawyer for Chief Justice. I didn't see no MPP4 actual Chief Justice no Asia omo na omoye ne advocate for. My making the political issues, of course. They're asking NDC funds to say, NDC funds more interest in the day. And then disagreements now more heavy with Chief Justice no. And no na inform current action na Monte Chief Justice all these might be issues germane to the conversation, but what we must therefore hear when MPP says this and there's a belief that NDC is like that, what are the independent voices in the system who have opinions to share? Making OTA the likes of Professor H. Kwesi Prempeh, OTA the likes of Kweku Azar, Utie, the likes of Ansa Asari, Mount Crestford founder, I think that there seems to be a general acceptance that President John Dramani Mahama has not breached any constitutional mandate, that he has merely acted within the limits of the Constitution and as directed of him to act should a petition of such a matter come before him. As we have seen in the past, our petitions about President name like President Kufado, or ye DNA was on ye, or send the petition not to Council of State. Council of State also determined prima facie, and the matter was eventually resolved that led to the removal of a constitutional body like the Electoral Commission. We don't have any interest in the matter, save for the conclusion of this inquiry by a constitutional committee, because a constitution and a chair who should be appointed to such a committee to listen to such a matter.
All right, Shamima.
We just want the Chief Justice to be granted her fair hearing, and we would expect that she herself would respect the same, process that she has been head of as Chief Justice.
Well, Shamima, as a government, we're worried and a bit surprised about the grievances or the two through the press and NRA.
We are not worried. We are not worried because we know that we have not done anything untoward against the Chief Justice as a government. And we are not surprised also because processes start here. The Chief Justice has elected to exercise her right in the same court. And, I do not think that, I don't want to believe that this latest action is testimony to perhaps her loss of faith in the judiciary. I think that would be quite worrying if the Chief Justice is indicating that she has lost faith in the ability of the judiciary to be fair and just in all matters involving all manner of persons, especially including the Chief Justice. If I can say, you see, if impunity will thrive in any society, it is when the judiciary fails to act consistently, fairly, and equitably. Because the judiciary is the institution we hold to the highest standards of near perfection. Because your country judges are gods on earth. Because a judge can take your liberty if you're found to be in breach of an offense that requires your liberty to be taken. And if that duty is a duty that cannot be exercised without due recourse to a deep sense of conviction and fairness and fidelity to the law as much as is humanly possible. Because even with the interpretation of the law, even though today, who said the Chief Justice has come to the court of public opinion to plead her case, whereas a constitutional process is ongoing, and she also does have the avenue of the same court system to plead her matter if she believes that the outcome or the eventual outcome of the process will not be fair to her. So if we have all these avenues, I think that it is fair to expect that at the highest level, the Chief Justice should not be one to communicate any loss in faith of the judicial system. And I don't think that is what she seeks to do. I think she now seeks to come to the public opinion, maybe as an approach to buy back some amount of, public sympathy. And she's well within her rights. I think the worry for many constitutional watchers and lawyers is that it is a breach of that constitutional process, and the Chief Justice, even though suspended, shouldn't be one seen doing that. But we would wait out the process and the outcome, and the president will only act based on the outcome from this inquiry that the constitutionally the constitutionally mandated committee is expected to deliver.
So that means the government is concerned about what's happening. It's really, really concerned. If it's not worried, it's not bothered, government is concerned about what's happening. Is that the case?
No, you just asked me. I said that our concern does not border on concern. And we are not worried because we have not done anything untoward. We are not worried because we have not breached the Constitution. And we are not concerned about the actions the Chief Justice decides to take. What we must hear are the independent voices and their opinions on the matter. Because again, if you recall, there was a time that we were told that public opinion can sometimes be noise, and that in the wholer value of the noise, the law would always be the law. It means that even when we have concerns with a judicial process or a constitutional process, when we have criticisms which many people have had about our courts are still the best placed platforms to seek redress. And I think that inherent in the logic of that judicial process is the recognition that the courts are not perfect institutions. And so when one level fails you, you can move on to the other level, way up to the Supreme Court level to vindicate your right. That is what we must enforce, strengthen our institutions, reform them as much as we can, but ultimately all of us must be equal before this law, and the law must not be made to bend to our personal tilt because we say so or we insist so.
Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Shamima Muslim, always a pleasure to be talking to you. Thank you so much.
It was an honor to be on your show too. Right. Thank you, my brother.
So, waboniti amaye en ha ban bibre enya ban won bibre na emom ogidi se emra ne de emra esese biribia da na ni kwanse ye bibia kire se obi ibro mra so na se emra ne favor obi de toso biem no omampanyin nya hwi o mo apenso kura na BBC sa ma omampanyin eje krata ne de Council of State for Council of State for to eti kosi wa ewi echi no na onipa ba ko emra kuni bo no ban no no yeyina sinchen nti omampanyin de na adwene mu no mfomso bia ni ho a waye eba na montu abotue ho
edikan minua ba no aya de sabi na djuma no oye nti ne kan no wasi independent voices in Ukroma.
Yeah.
Pacho mami, the first petitioner ye debatia mami ne free Kweku Azao, Professor Kweku Azao, Nanado, Bra Nanado wa bemu. O share petition e be biwa. Ene yira Kweku Azao de no. Nsunsuye bia nim. Inti Kweku Azao cannot be said to be an independent voice on this matter.
Or interest or the biases
or the biases we need the you so na etosumi no the constitutionality or otherwise of the whole process yaka cha baby ayakoduru ni eye sebe asema yedi ena maame na pie firi nsu ase aba ekem baby maame no no nipa wo ho no nyina no sebe Mami okasa yi minua ba Shamima oni hobi na mpanyin si de otini gya ho ono nko anenim de eden ehyehyɛ no
fa express worry and a bit of concern because she should know better says na mo na wotu obeka ne nsema to dwa no judge panyimu sa unim sesa nhyehyɛ no ha adwene entwa yi if they pre said all show commas no esese sa kwa sa sendi bia ho na yekohwe asa na judge pay no akwesi ene se so wase medazu
enunti na wo senka ono ye concern no enunti na wo se aban ye concern no edikan the chief protector of our fundamental human rights aban inti se wo court e the human rights action kwa attorney general we defendant wo ho inti se maami se mo a wo kan se be fa no ne human rights ho the right to natural justice, the right to fair hearing ho. So what I say, enti ke wose ehia ban. A new development eba nra. Until nra no na what is asem we. Na wontie na mesmentie. Tie ba ye no, ye mpentemu ma emiya no te se de omo ye no. O pentemu be ya no te se de wo ye na. Na sebi woni ma me ne wa asem. Na emum no, o hwe se ne be ya ade na ekoso no, sebi ebetwa yie. Na wo de niema ato aboa ma niema ayede atoto yie. Te se de me kan ye no, wo ye mremu no. Sebi onipa ayemu anefo onifo. Onipa ayemu anefo onifo. Enti wo ye aban wo na sebi ubo nipa human rights ho ban. Na sebi nipa a woni efo yemu anefo no. Na nipa na ba abonte na wo kemu no. De sese wo ye ne se e wo se wo hwe kwan abefa so a ne complaints no obeboa no resolve de obetumi ayeden a resolve. It is a problem with Edu Lodger. No ahwe no ayede waka ho asem.
Ni wo nka asem poti no we de Edu Lodge mo okay so mpa
free ho. Na ne aka na woni ho ayi no. O se eno de sebi eye mrasem etebi a woni wo ho asem de a ye mfa nkonkoto court. Nemum ye ma mekasa te se de ye kasei. O kasasa na aye obvious se maame no woni ne ye den e wa asem. Fi se sebi esi ni paboni ni kura woni nkaida. Na amen oh my amemu wo ye panyin sebi wo ho mu bia yemfa bitterness mu man yemfa yaw enhye mu emu man tu drum pempenso bia boni nyina wo de che impempenso nyame pegya drum pempenso bia boni nyina wo de che ensem ni bi wo ho anu amanafo aso achi tiye de si da bi na wo ye de wo hwe so oh se wa anhwi na se pese ye yese ne niema de bia ye no na de bia ne etafom
Lebafo mama nasi say also ajebre na watimi abedi nko megidi say a conversation e be ko so ato aso anti brano e won hia say ma oba e be din say nko
me da so adama so mama kwanya se me ne Ghana for me twetwe nko.
Thank you. What ajebre hwetie e be adam ka se me dia se da pi ana de ma onyame admech na e be hia